Hey, Solano. Good morning. Hey, BD Mining. Blake, nice to see you. Assistant, nice to see you. Daniel, good morning. Good morning, guys. Nice to see you. Kay, good morning. Nice to see you. Yo, Solano, nice to see you. Talkland, good morning. Uncle Aaron, good morning. Nice to see you guys. Brent, good morning. Sorry, guys, I have to wipe off my glasses. Gamble, good morning. Jens, Larry, good morning. Good morning, Uncle Aaron. Good morning, Brent. Nice to see you. Richard Cranium is here. Gambles, Alex, nice to see you. Good morning. I was a minute late because I was making a buy. There we go, Solano. Good morning, B-Dogs. Nice to see ya. Good morning, Gambles. With good morning, let's go. Blake, good morning. Kingfish is already in here sharing the live. Blake a G, good morning. Nick Clivet, nice to see you. Gambles, thank you. Nice to see you. The assistant, thank you. Nice to see you guys this morning. Hello. Hey, Annalie. Hi, Real Hope. Nice to see you. Do XLM. Hold on. I don't even have a piece of paper. Here we go. TP again this morning. B-Dogs killing it. Nice job. Did you take that long or a short this morning? Did you get in the short and get out? Real Hope. Good morning. Nice to see you. Yeah, we'll do XLM and XRP, guys. Good morning. Kaching. FOMC Day. Genesis. Nice to see you guys. Thank you so much for being in the live this morning. I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this short on height. Nice job, B-Dogs. Yeah, good morning. Nice to see you. Guys, I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every single morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, thank you so much for being in here. I appreciate you. My mods are fire in here. Rude Boy, Assistant, Money Talk, Eric Watson, Lady Long Term, Sarah, Shauna, Jay Heat, B Rose, and Dream to Action. Thank you so much for being my mods in here. We are going to the moon today, says Real Hope. Real Hope. I'm hoping, right? I'm hoping. We'll see what happens with FOMC, guys. This morning is going to be muddy. Fatima, good morning. Nice to see you. Guys, thank you so much for being in the live today. Hopefully everyone is doing well today. Guys, are we in trades today? T, good morning. Are we in trades today? If we're in trades, you better have a stop loss place. And you better be ready for some action today. What's wrong with your mic today? What's wrong with it? What's wrong with it? Taz, good morning. What's wrong with the mic? Can you guys hear me? Good morning, T. Nice to see you. Hey, guys. Nice to see you. Woody, Jason, Rafal, Johnny, Ghost, Mr. Daffy, Bolster, good morning. Heather, good morning. Lemon Drop, good morning. It's staticky. Is it staticky, guys? Sounds fine, says Solano. You know what? If it's staticky, Taz, run out of the live and then come back in. No, it's low. Interesting. I'm just not screaming yet, guys. I think that's probably what it is. Good morning, Chris Lucian. Good morning, Nico. Good morning, Superhost. Staticky too, but not bad. Interesting. All right, hold on. Guys, I don't know what it is. Loud and clear says only Dad. Guys, if it is staticky to you, just jump out and come back in. Richard is here. Clifford. Good morning, Kingfish. Thank you for sharing the live. Guys, the best thing you can do for the stream. Good morning, Stefan. Nice to see ya. The best thing you can do for the stream is press that repost button, post it out to as many people as you can, or post it to your story. That will help. Oh, I can hear you, but there's a little buzz. Hold on. Let's see if it's my music. It might be my music. Good morning, Stefan. Jen Tripp is in the house. Good morning, Franklin. Nice to see you. Lyric, Joel, Detroit, Wildo, Tom, JCH, BD Mining, Daniel. Oh, yeah, my music is turning up by itself. Privacy pumping. You know what that means, Blake. Yikes. Right? Good morning, Min Farms. Nice to see you. Visionary. It's them, not you, says Stefan. There we go. Min Farms, thank you for sharing the live. Bolster, Gambles, T. Thank you for the gifts, guys. Good morning. Greg, nice to see you. Guys, we're going to get started in just a few minutes. The markets are going to be messy today. I'm warning you, right? George, good morning, right? Guys, the markets are going to be messy. We're going to try to figure them out as much as possible. What am I saying today, guys? More than likely, if you are not already in a trade and you are not a seasoned trader, I do hear that buzz. Hold on. Let's see. Good morning, Heavy Metal. Nice to see you. Guys, if you are not already in a trade, right? Should you be trading before the FOMC and you don't and you are a beginner trader? Probably not. Jason the Mason, good morning. Yes, there are gains to be made on FOMC days, guys, but more than likely, They're going to try to stop people out to the upside and the downside. We're going to be really, really careful today. Good morning, guys. I am Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, thank you for being in here. Blake is telling you the privacy is pumping. Guess what? It's the shorts, right? It's the shorts. We're going to try to figure out where we're going. Blake, look at my chart. You're going to be very happy this morning. I added the MACD. Good morning at Take It Easy. God bless us the other day. Yes, he did. Such a beautiful life. Good morning. Guys, I'm Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I am not a financial advisor, guys, right? Wearing a backwards hat. Usually have a crop top on. I am not a financial advisor. Please do not buy, sell, or trade based on my ETA alone. You will get wrecked, right? We are on a very volatile day today. Be very careful in your trades. Two things before we start. Number one, I added the MACD yesterday too. Pretty darn good. Yeah, it gives us a little bit more insight into what these markets are doing. Guys, I have an off TikTok group. It is called the Level Up Community. If you want to join that and you want to learn how to chart and how to trade, click the link in my bio. Guys, right? Actually, I have three things. That is not a signals group. It is an actual classroom. I teach in there every single day at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, come in and learn with us. It's 7 days free right now, right? It is a paid group, but most people have paid their subscriptions over and over again by just being in there, right? It is $3 a day otherwise. So if you want to join that group, first link in the link in my bio. Second thing, I am an affiliate on Bitunix. If you are looking for a non-KYC exchange to trade on, Bitunix is my primary exchange. I've traded there for 2.5 years, almost 3 now. We have our own personal rep, George. If we have any problems, we can go to him. All you do is sign up, use a 20% bonus for deposit code, Bullish Babe, and you'll get that 20% bonus for deposit, and you'll get you will get entered into any trading competition that we have in there. Guys, this supports my channel. You guys get a bonus. I get commission. It works both ways. Thank you for doing that. For those of you who already have, I've missed a couple of comments, which you guys know I hate. Should I close my trade if I'm a beginner? I started long at Solana at 71.9. I can't tell you that, Hungrig. I don't know where we're going today. All I can tell you is make sure that you have a stop loss in, right? Scented Pleasures, good morning. Nice to see you. Good morning, Asaya. Nice to see you. Asai. Thinking of taking some profits off of Aerodrome and reinvesting at a lower price? Do you, Bolster? Complex, good morning. Money Talk is in here. Guys, give Money Talk a follow. She is a great creator. She gives us a lot of information on the numbers. She works in the industry, and she is a G. Nice to see you this morning. XPL. Yeah, we'll take a look at XPL. Blake, good morning, Complex. Nice to see you. Guys, lastly, if you have not followed me on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram, please go and follow me on that, guys. Hold on one second. Unoriginally, I'm already getting reported today. Hold on one second. Let me figure out this. All right, there we go. Early day for the reporters here today. VIX day, markets will be downtrending. FOMC meeting 2, interest expected to go up. Guys, listen to Money Talk. Flo, Jimbo, nice to see you. Thank you so much. Complex, Money Talk, nice to see you. Good morning. Guys, we're going to get started in just 1 minute. Again, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I post my lives every day on YouTube. If you don't follow me on YouTube, link in my bio. That is my link tree. You can go and find me on there. We're going to get to the charts now, guys. Here we go. We have a little bit of a, EDM mix this morning. We're going to go with this. We'll see if we change it back to the normal, but it's a little lower key today. Let's go to the charts, guys. I'm going to make myself small. We're going to make the charts big. I'm going to put baby in a corner, and we are going to start today. What are we looking at today, guys? FOMC is today, right? 2:30 press conference. Once that hits, you're going to see us go up and down and bounce up and down. Guys, be careful in your trades today. Mufti, nice to see you. Here we go, guys. Let's get to the charts. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you guys. The best thing you can do for the stream is tap the screen, like it, share it out, and talk in the chat. DD reference, good morning. Sell or buy, I can't tell you that. It's rocky today. Guys, it is going to be rocky all day long. Let me take a sip. Hold on one second. Jaybird, good morning. Nice to see you. It's going to be a rocky day, guys. Today is not going to be clear, right? You're probably going to see me fumble with the charts a little bit today. I am only human. Do not buy, sell, or trade based on my TA alone. Triple witching Friday. Be careful for the rest of the month. Guys, be careful for the rest of the month. She's telling you right now. Be careful for the rest of the month, right? Here we go. Let's take a look at BTC. We're going to go to the 8 hour first. Why do we go to the 8 hour? Rocky Road, says Cami. Exactly. Tarek, good morning. Hello from another continent, BB. Good morning, Tarek. Nice to see you. Guys, we're going to start off on the daily, actually, on Bitcoin. Here we go. We're going to start off on the daily. Where are we right now, guys? We are still in the bear flag, right? We are still in the bear flag. And what is the bear flag doing? Hold on one second. I have to turn my focus on because I never do that. And then I get in trouble. And then people call me. Focus. There we go. All right. Here we go, guys. Backwards tap, BB's handler pushing for the wigs. Christopher, you know it, right? I think he just wants a new woman in his life. Cami, Sweden here. Good morning to Sweden. Nice to see you. Guys, what are we in? We're in a bear flag. It's on the daily. Blake is telling you that privacy is pumping, guys. What does that mean? Usually, we are going to move down, right? Except it's an FOMC meeting day, so we don't know. Good morning, lady. Guys, let me just say something. Blake caught that dump yesterday. He is 100% a good chartist, and I'm adding the MACD because of him, right? This is what it means to be a team. He caught the dump yesterday. Then in the afternoon, I was looking at it and said we could pop, and we popped. Guys, this is is not to say we are right all the time. It is to say we work as a team in here, and how good it is to have people that can see things around us that we cannot see, guys. We surround ourselves with people that challenge us. Good morning, Formix. And if we do that, we will be able to be better at our craft, guys. Good morning, DataNat. Nice to see you. Visionary, regardless of FOMC decision, BTC go up. Your thoughts, please. I don't know, Visionary. We're going to take a look at it. There's a 99% chance of no rate change predicted everywhere, even on Polymarket. Let's go. Mario, Nerdy Man, thank you so much. Guys, Solano, you are 100% right. Here we go, guys. We are in this bear flag right here on the daily. We are now rolling over on the daily, on the Stokes, and on the RSI. We are right all the time, just not always on time, Nerdy Man. There we go, right? There we go. We are rolling over on the daily and on the RSI and on the stochastics, guys. What does that mean? It is his job not to increase rates. Genesis. Yeah, right? We're rolling over on the stochastics and on the RSI. The MACD is turning green. However, we are below the 50%, right, level. So we need to watch this. Here it is, guys. Here's the pole. Here's the flag. We have hit the top of the flag. What does that usually mean, guys? It means we're coming down, right? Means we're coming down. However, if we hold support, we can bounce up and come up. And if we do that, Assistant Lordly, good morning. Hey, what do you think of Keta? Have no thoughts on Keta, right? I have charted it before, but I have no thoughts. Everyone knows no changes in interest rates will trap us on the upside. Believe nothing right now. Mods are holding it down. He's going to get a haircut, says Rude. Nice to see you. Guys, we are believing nothing until they prove it. Eric Watson, good morning. How do they prove it, guys? They get us up and above a key resistance, or they get us down below a support. Right now, we are in the middle. This is a no trade zone for me. Why? Because we're in the middle, guys. Until we pop out of this bear flag and we invalidate it to the upside and we get up in over 69K, guess what, guys? We're still in the middle. We're still in this bear flag right here. We're rolling over on the Stokes and the RSI on the daily. This bear flag right here, where does it bring us down to, guys? Brings us down to the Skyman channel. Look at this, right? This is a big move. They want to dump us down. And by they, I mean the market makers. If they do dump us down today, Flo Jimbo, thank you for the follow. I thought you already followed me. You have entered a no trade zone. Only dad. Yes, guys. Do we trade the middle if we're not skilled scalpers? No, we do not. We wait for the big move. We are looking for a good entry. We're not looking for a mediocre entry, right? Is this a good entry right now? Not in my opinion, right? Here we go. We drop out of this bear flag right here. You guys know where we're going. We're going into the Skyman channel, and guess what? It's bringing us right to the 50% at 48K. And dump, says Blake. Here we go. We're going to go down to the lower time frames. Yeah, we're at 64,947, guys. Here we go, right? Are we trading this? Be very careful. Let's go to the 12-hour, guys. I'm going to go a little bit. We're going to go to some odd time frames today. Why? Because we want to see what they're really doing for us right now. Now, yesterday, this is what I said. There is a cup and handle here, guys. Excuse me. My voice is rough today. There is a cup and handle here, guys, right? It's right here. Here's the cup. Here is the handle. If we hold this support, we are right there right now. 64,969. If we hold this major support at 64,620, we can bounce off of here and we can go up and we can make this cup and handle. Mark Day, thank you so much. I appreciate you. Guys, if we do this and we bounce off of here, we can bounce up and out. 12-hour has some curvature. This is what I was seeing last night. 16-hour has curvature to the upside. So does the 12-hour, guys. Right? What we're going to do is go down the lower time frames. If we cannot hold that level at 64,620, guys, we are coming down. And where are we coming down to? More than likely, we are past the 50% level in the channel. We are coming down to the bottom of the channel, right? That is how it works. You get up and above the 50%, more likely to go to the top of the channel. You get below the 50%, more likely that we're going to the bottom of the channel. Good morning, Eric Watson. Nice to see you. Here we go, guys. We're sitting right here on this support right here, right? Can we break out of this cup and handle? That's what we're going to look for today. 12-hour is curving up, right? 16-hour, I believe, is doing the same thing. Actually, no. The 16-hour has rolled over now, Blake. Here we go. Let's go to the 8-hour. 16-hour is looking down. 12-hour is looking up. 8-hour, guys, we're coming down. What's the MACD doing? Rolling over, Blake. I love this for me, right? Thank you so much for showing me that the MACD can show me the little moves that I am missing, right? Blake, thank you. You're such a G. We are rolling down on the stochastics, and the RSI is just pushed through the 12 and the 24 to the downside, guys. MACD is rolling over. This is looking like we are coming down to the bottom of the channel of the bear flag. The channel is the bear flag at 63,604. That is your next stop if we break the 64,604, guys. 64,604, we break that. We have a little bit of support right here at 63,745, and then we are going to the bottom of the channel. What? Using the MACD? B-Dogs, I'm using it for now. If it helps me, I'll keep it on my chart. If it doesn't, it's going, right? But Blake uses it, and I'm going to, guys, I surround myself with people that, Kelly, thank you. I surround myself with people that do things differently than I do, and I take tips from them. Guys, I am not above learning something new. I want to learn something new every day. Market makers, pumping BTC at the moment, so likely it will go down after 2. We'll see. Zyra, nice to see ya, right? Eric Watson just posted my link for Bitunix. Guys, if you want to try out Bitunix, we should always spread out our capital. Right? We should never have all of our trading capital on one exchange. Why? Because if one exchange goes down, guys, you lose all of your capital, right? You lose all of your capital. Spread it out. Try Bitunix if you are a trader, not if you're not, guys, right? If you're a leverage trader, you can get a 20% bonus on deposit for anything deposited over $100. You guys get a bonus. I get commission. It helps to support my channel. If you're a leverage trader and you trade every day, guys, try out Bitunix. You can trade Forex, IPOs, crude, gold and silver, and crypto on leverage, guys. If you are not trading there, try it out. They are growing and they are building and they are adding stuff to their platform every single day, right? It's great to trade everything in the same place. 7 days free, guys. If you want to join my community, you want to learn how to chart and to trade, click the link in my bio. Guys, what do I see here? Here we go. What do we see here? We see a cat ears pattern. It doesn't line up exactly, but look at ear, head, second ear. Or you can just treat it as an M pattern right here, guys. This looks like we're coming down. 8 hours turning down on the stochastics, MACD, and the RSI, guys. It's telling us it wants to come down eventually. Nice to see you, Zyra. Nice to see you. 4 hour, guys. Let's take a look, guys. The 4 hour wants to pop us up. Guys, mixed signals today. Good morning, Psychic Angelina. Nice to see you. We got mixed signals here today. 4 hour, lifting up from the bottom of the channel. MACD is still turning to the downside. RSI is turning up. Are the lower time frames supporting this move or pop to the upside? Are we going to hold support, guys? We got to go down to the lower time frames to see. Good morning. I have a copycat in here. Guys, if you haven't followed me and this is your first time, please follow me directly from the live. Otherwise, you will get copycats. They will try to scam you in your DMs. There is nothing I can do about it, unfortunately. It is more a safety thing than a follower count thing. If you don't follow me, please click my photo. Follow me directly from the live. Otherwise, you'll get copycats. Rui, good morning. Javi, good morning. Revolution X, thank you for the heart me. Zyra Capital, thank you. I appreciate you. Guys, here we go. We are lifting up right here. 4 hour is turning up. Got him. Thank you, Kelly. Right? We are lifting up right here. 4 hours lifting up on the Stokes and the RSI. But guys, here's the tell. The RSI is now slumping over to the downside. We know that the 4 hour and the 8 hour, 4 hours turning up, 8 hour, 12 hour, 16 hour, daily, they are all turning down. What does that mean when that happens, guys? Right? It means that the higher time frames are going to hold us down. And what do we see here, guys? A big, fat, rounded top. It is right here. Here is the rounded top right here. Could it be the flag of the bull flag? Heck yeah, it could. However, I thought of making an incognito entry. Rui, you can never do that. I'm always watching what comes in. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. Guys, this looks like a little pop to the upside on the 1 hour to actually bring us down. This is a big rounded top right here. Hailfire, thank you for the heart me. I appreciate you. Guys, big rounded top right here. We got a bear flag right here. Looking like this is a superficial pop to the upside. Let's go to the 30-minute. We're going to work on weird time frames today. Why? Because we want to see where we're actually going, right? We are rounding out right here. The assistant, Jessica Pennington, Hailfire, thank you so much. Here we go. Are we rolling over? Yeah, we have some curvature on the Stokes. If this pops up and we do not get above 65, 649, guys, where are we headed? We're headed down, right? Premium mulch, good morning. We see the higher time frames rolling. And now what's happening? We've got some curvature on the Stokes right here. The RSI is pointed up. We could get a pop to here, but what would we do? We can't get up and over this, guys. We are bearishly retesting this level of resistance, right? Bearishly retesting this level of resistance. It is going to be volatile today. Please hear me clearly, guys. Good morning, Power Skater. Nice to see you. The assistant, thank you. It's going to be volatile today, guys. We have to watch ourselves. This is hooking out a little bit. We need to watch this. We get up and over here, 65, 664. We are going to the next level of resistance, 66, 461. Are we just creating an M pattern here to come down, guys? That's what it looks like. 30-minute is rolling over. I'm going to check the 27-minute odd time frames, right? Here we go. We're rolling over a little bit more on the 27-minute. Let's go to the 15. User, thank you. I appreciate you. Good morning. Guys, thank you so much for being in here today. I appreciate you guys every single day. This looks like it does want to power up to this. We are getting some curvature to the upside on the 15-minute, guys. And even though it's around the top, it may want to come up, either barely retest that level. George is in here. He is my Bitunix rep, guys. Thank you so much for being in here. If you want to join Bitunix, bitunix.com. My code is BullishBabe. It is the platform that I trade on every single day. If you haven't tried it, try it just for the bonus if you are a leverage trader. Guys, if you're not a leverage trader, be careful. Do not join. Do not leverage trade until you know how to chart. 30-minute is flipping bullish. Guys, here we go. MACD's flipping bullish. Yeah, here we go. MACD's flipping bullish right now, guys. You can see it down here. Bear with me on the MACD, right? First time I've had it on my chart. Blake, thank you. We are hooking out here. 30-minute MACD turning over. We do have some room to the upside. Here we go. Let's check the lower time frames. 27-minute, guys. MACD's flipping over. We may get this pop. We need to get up and over here at 65, 649. George, thank you. Nice to see you. We need to get up and over here at 65, 649, and then up and over here at 66, 461. Guys, I have been very hesitant to say that we are going down all the way because there is a cup and handle on the higher time frames. And there's a bull flag. So could this be the end of the bull flag and we can pop out of here? Heck yeah, it could, guys. Right? We are not foolishly bullish. We are not full bull. And we are not full bear here. We give you both ways. Why? Because I don't know where this is going ultimately. And especially today, guys. Right? We're going to look at this with objective eyes, and we're going to see if we can figure out where we're going for the day. However, FOMC could change everything, right? MACD is flipping bullish on the 27-minute. Let's go down to the 15. Let's see what bull trap, in my opinion, Blake, I think so too. That big rounded top is nothing to ignore, right? It's right here, right? We've got a big rounded top and we are pushing out. We are hooking out. However, if we cannot get up and over here, guys, we're rolling over. 15-minute is getting high on the Stokes, high on the RSI. Looks like it wants to push to that next resistance, guys. It is whether or not we stay there or we get up and over it, right? That is what we're waiting for right now. 15-minute looking like it wants to power us up. Here we go. 7-minute. What is the 7-minute doing? Here we go, guys. 7-minute is now looking like it is losing steam. Could be an inverse cup. Yeah, it could be, Blake. They're making a cup and handle and then an inverse cup and handle. Zyra Capital, thank you for the crystal dreams. I appreciate you. Could be an inverse cup, guys. What Blake is talking about is right here. This could be an inverse cup and handle. And if it is, where are we going? Here we go, guys. If this does roll over, 7-minute is losing steam, top of the cup, bottom of the trend line. Drag this out to the breakout point. If we roll over here and we hit this resistance right here and we turn around and get slapped down, where are we going? Guys, we break this level of support right here at 64,692. Here is where we are headed. And look at Blake. That can't be a coincidence, right? Guys, we break down. We're headed down here at 62,340. That's where we're headed on this inverse cup and handle. If Blake's right, and we're rolling down. We are losing steam on the 7. Yeah, confluence, Blake. Look at that, right? Zyra Capital, thank you. George, thank you. We are losing steam on the 7-minute. What is that telling us? We may have a pop up there, but if they choose to slam us down at either this level of resistance right here at 65,670 or at this one right here at 66,452, we would be making another lower high locally, and that would tell us that we are rolling over. 15-minute, we are getting curvature on the Stokes here. Look at the RSI flattening out and looking like it wants to roll over. MACD, not necessarily turning over right here on the 7-minute. Good morning, Novik. Nice to see you. Steve Duran, thank you. We know from the charts that FOMC will be dovish. Market setting up early for a dump later. Guys, there we go. Old Baden Island, I think so too. 63 to 61. Let's watch this, right? Let's go to the 5-minute. Let's see what's happening on the 5-minute. Good morning, guys. Starting to roll. Here we go. 5 minutes. Starting to lose steam whenever I see this cloud around the Stokes starting to curve over to the downside. We have to be careful. It's showing weakness, guys. It's showing weakness, right? I think it's probably going to come up here and top this level. Why? Because usually when you get close enough to a resistance level, it wants to come up there and tap it, guys, right? And that's what we're looking at right now. We know that we have some steam in the 1 hour and the 4 hour. Very, very likely this is going to do one more push, hit this resistance, and then turn around and come down. 5-minute, looking like we're rolling over. Another copycat just walked in. Here we go, guys, right? Here we go. 3-minute, rolling over heavily now. RSI 6, looking to push through the 12 and the 24 to the downside. 1 minute, I'm going, Blake. I'm heading there. Here we go. Interest rates meeting today. It is. There's the 1 minute, guys, right? There's the 1 minute. Look at the MACD rolling over. RSI is pushing through. RSI 6 is pushing through the 12 and the 24. Stokes turn to the downside. What I will say is there's a bull flag right here. We've got to be careful. Here's the bull flag right here. Here's the pole. Here's the flag. We are seated on the moving averages, guys. Kelly, thank you for taking care of that for me, right? Guys, my mods are firing here. Rude Boy, Assistant, Money Talk, Kelly, Eric Watson, Lady Longterm, Sarah, Shauna, Jay Heat, Dream to Action, and B Rose. Thank you so much, Kelly. I appreciate you. Are we bullish? Denozo, not right now, right? Guys, here's a bull flag right here. This wants to do one more pop to the upside. That's where it's going to go. We need to break up and over 65,313. We break up and over that. We're going to 65,722. There it is, guys, right? There it is. Look at the bull flag trying to break out right now. Here's the green candle trying to break up and out. We break up and out. Where do we have to go to, guys? We need to get over this level. We just said it was hooking out on the lower time, on the mid time frames. Will he announce a possible rate cut just to look good? Complex. We'll see, right? We'll see. Everyone's expecting nothing. 15-minute looking to break downward. Here we go, guys. We have the 1 minute looking to push up. We are rolling up on the stochastics and on the RSI. This may just pop us up to here, fake out, and come back down. Let's see. Blake is saying the 15. Let's go there, guys. Here we go, guys, right? 15-minute. top of the Stokes, top of the RSI, rolling over, right? However, MACD is coming up. This looks like it wants to do that one last pop. Here are your levels, guys. We're going to get to the alts early today. We're going to let Bitcoin do what it does. And I know that Blake will yell at me in the chat. If it breaks up, and you guys, please, too, if someone can post these levels. If we break up and over 65, 659, right? Touching RSI and dump. There we go, Blake. That's what I think, too. Here we go, guys. Blake, you're such a G. Blake, thank you to Blake for holding it down in here every single day. I appreciate you. Right? I appreciate your technical analysis. I appreciate the fact that you are you're a kind, polite soul, and I appreciate that. My bad. That's okay. The MA, coming to touch the MA. They're all coming to here we go. 15-minute, guys. What Blake is saying, it's coming to touch the 50 MA, and then it's most likely going to roll over. If it does get past the 50, I will think that we're coming up to touch here, right? We have the 200 right above us as well. We come up and touch one of these moving averages and start rolling over. That's what we're doing. Here we go, guys. 15-minute, looking like we're going to power up maybe to this level right here. We may not even make it there. We are rolling over on the Stokes and the RSI. Let's see what happens. Here are your levels. Danielle, good morning. Nice to see you. Joey Mack with the pineapple. Nice to see you, too. Here we go, guys. Here are your levels. We break up and over 65,716. Yell at me in the chat, right? 65,716. Joey Mack at the heart me and the popular. Thank you. Cecil, good morning. We break up and over here, right? Yell at me in the chat. We break down below here, or we even get close. Blake, you know what close is, right? We even get close. 64, 679. Guys, yell at me in the chat. We are creating a rounded bottom here. This looks to me like it may want to pop a little bit higher. However, we know we are in a bigger rounded top and possibly a inverse cup and handle. And if we are, said by Blake, right? If we are dumping down. Here we go. Let me go to one more time frame. I just want to check the 7 and the 5. Let's see if we're actually rolling over. No, we got some room, guys. We may pop up to here. We do. We get over it. Yell at me in the chat. It will stop and go down again. Matisse, that's what I think. Eric Watson, you're such a G. 65,716 or 64,679. Yell at me in the chat. We're going to go to some alts right now. We're going to let Bitcoin do what it does. If it makes a big move, let me know. Guys, this is a no trade zone for me. I am not in a trade right now. Why? Number one, I don't like to trade FOMC days, right? You trade FOMC days. I've gotten wrecked on FOMC days more than any other day possible. Be careful with your trades today, right? Yes, there are gains to be made if you are a very good scalper, right? If you are not a very good seasoned scalper, be very, very careful in this market today. Let's go, BB. Hey, J Toms. Guys, we're going to go to some of the alts. Those are my levels, 65,716 and 64,679. Does look like we want to pop up a little bit more to roll over. We are now money flipping on the 7-minute. RSI is flattening out. Let's check the 5. And then I'm going to go to XRP. Good morning, Happy Soldier. Nice to see you. 5-minute is now showing a lot of weakness on the Stokes. We are now gapping and flattening out on the RSI. What does that mean, guys? We have weakness. We have weakness, right? Look at here, right? We are rolling over on the 3-minute. We do have the RSI still pointed up. However, guys, right? We know that those higher time frames are pushing down on us. Yeah, I can chart WLD. Yeah, we can chart WLD for sure. Pop up enough for me to break even from last night, and I'll be happy. There we go, Mike. There we go. Guys, let's go to some of the alts, right? Let's go to some of the alts. If you have other alts that you want me to take a look at, pop them in the chat. We're going to go to XRP, XLM. I'm going to do XPL. That's the Blake pick today. And then we're going to do WLD. That is what we have on the agenda. If you guys have anything else, ARC, nice to see you. Dewana, yeah, we can do SWE. Yep, we can do SWE. If you guys have anything else, you can drop it in the chat. Guys, thank you so much for being in here today. Thank you so much for all of your support. Every day you guys come in here, stay. A lot of you stay the whole time. Thank you so much for being in here and supporting me. I am humbled every single day. 123 people in the chat, 21K likes already. Thank you so much for doing what you do for me every single day. I am only here because of you. I will never, ever forget it. Adam, we can do. I'll put that on the chart. Adam, AVAX, total 3. Yeah, you got it, premium. I'll do total 3 pretty early today. Yeah, and J Toms will do Shebs. I know that's what you're looking for. Here we go, guys. A pow, Flo. Dogfish, thank you so much for being in here today. Gambles, nice to see you. Look at us rolling now, guys. Here we go. We're rolling now. Blake was right. We just touched that 50. Guess what? We're rolling over, right? RSI 6 pushing through the 12 and the 24 on the 3-minute. We've got the Stokes rolling over heavily now, right? Here we go. I am here forever. You're stuck with me, says B Rose. I love that. I got in, Matisse. There we go. Nice to see you. Guys, let's go to XRP. Let's see what's going on with XRP. You guys know my levels. Does look like it's building a bull flag, right, guys? Does look like it's building a bull flag. This is why it is messy. I think we're still going to 53K. Actually, my targets are between 38 and 43. Let's make some profit, Matisse. Guys, we are building a bull flag on the 3-minute on XRP. Here it is right here, probably going to pop out. We are clinging on to the moving averages. Here we go. Here's the pole. Here's the flag. I'm going to give you the levels on XRP, but this is on a lower time frame. Very, very likely we are going to try and pop out this bull flag. Why am I saying this? RSI pointed up. We have the MACD curving a little bit to the downside, though, and we have the Stokes turning up. This looks like it may want to make one more push before rolling over. I have 10 minutes, and then I have to leave for an appointment and client. Kelly, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Right? Here we go, guys. This bull flag right here could pop us out. Let's go to the 4-hour on XRP. Here we go, guys. Good morning. Happy hump day, right? Happy hump day. It is Wednesday, FOMC meeting. Guys, I am seeing on the same thing on XRP that I am seeing on Bitcoin. What do we see here, guys? I'm going to remove these lines for a second. We see a massive cup and handle, right? If we want to go today, what this is telling you guys is this. Or us. What the charts are telling us right now is this. There is weakness in the market, and we can roll over at any time. But what it is also telling us is that if that FOMC goes better than planned, we can cup and handle this out. And guys, this would make sense. Whether we can cup and handle it up or we can cup and handle it down, like Blake said, we are in both right now. If the FOMC goes better than expected, what will happen is you will see a quick reversal and a pump. And that is what this is setting up for. It is setting up for the possibility that we may pump out and we may get a better decision. Does that mean that that's going to happen? No, but it's setting us up for that if it does. Please, God, let them FOMC go well. Amen, says Kelly. There we go, right? Here we go. It's setting us up. Solom is in the house. Nice to see you, sir. Epic One is in here. Guys, give him a follow. He is a great creator on this app. Solom, thank you for being here. I appreciate you. Here we go, guys. We are in a big cup and handle. Here is the cup. Here is the handle. We are holding on to this support right now. We are curving up on the 4-hour, guys. We got to be careful here. This is, again, a no trade zone for me. Where would I trade this? If I was going to trade this, where would I trade it? If I was going to take a long, I would take it up and over the cup and handle on the retest at 129.38, right? 129.38. That is where I would take this. This is not financial advice, but I would not take it here because if we do want to turn around and dump this level right here, guess what, guys? We're going to get caught. Where would I take a short? I would take it below this level right here. I'm not telling you exactly where I would take it because guess what? This is not financial advice. Thank you guys for sharing the live out. I appreciate you. That is the best thing you can do for the algorithm. Just share the live out to as many people or to your story. That really, really helps the live. Guys, I would get into a short under this level right here. Why? Because right here it's not a safe trade, guys. Cecil, good morning. Nice to see you. Thank you for sharing the live. Heather, Pow Pow, Novik, I appreciate you. I would take it below here at 117.37 on the bearish retest, right? If you are here and this is your first time here, please follow me directly from the live. Otherwise, you guys will get copycats. There are about 600 of me. You will get copycats. They will try to scam you in your DMs, okay? Thank you so much for being here, guys. Here we go. We break this level at 117.37. Here are your levels on XRP. I will say the 4-hour is curving up. Is the 8-hour doing that as well? Guys, the 8-hour is right in the middle on the RSI. However, look at the MACD, right? MACD on point like always. Eric, thank you. So are you. Cecil, thank you. Epic One, thank you. MACD is rolling over, guys. Stokes are coming down on the 8-hour. We are flat on the RSI. What we have to do is go down through the time frames to see what is actually happening here. 8-hour is looking like it wants to come down. Let's check the daily. Guys, the daily is just rolling over. Now, can the daily start to roll over and then the lower time frames and the mid time frames could catch a bid and we could go up? Yes, we absolutely could. Guys, be careful trading in this today, right? Be careful trading in this today. 8-hour. Here we go. 8-hour is rolling over on the Stokes, but look at the curvature right here. 4-hour, we know, is actually coming up and trying to take a bid. What did I miss? DB, nice to see ya, right? Guys, we're hanging on to support here. Here it is. Here's the levels, guys, on XRP. 4-hour is coming up. Let's check the 1-hour. 1-hour, guys, the 1-hour is coming up too. Again, is this just a bearish retest of the 50% or the 50 MA or up here at 127.06, right? That is a major resistance, guys. We get up and over that, we can go. Here we go. Here's what's happening. The 4-hour and the 1-hour are trying to push us up. However, I see weakness in the RSI. The MACD is red, guys, the histogram, right? Histogram is red. We are turning up on the MACD, though we have to be careful. Let me go to the, I'm out on the 1-hour right now. Here we go. What are we in right now, guys? We are in a falling wedge. Aster just shot up. There we go. Oh, where can our Pharaoh be? I don't know. You're cruising through today, BB, the assistant. Guys, it's because Bitcoin is in a precarious position, right? When it's in a precarious position, we can look at the alts and see what the alts could do. However, guys, it is a volatile day. We don't know what's going to happen today, and more than likely, there's going to be a move, a violent one, right before the FOMC announcement. And then we are going to get a reversal. That is usually what happens on FOMC, and then we get the real move, okay? Watch your charts today, guys. Watch your trades. Here we go. What are we in right here, guys? We're in a falling wedge, right? Could this break up? Yeah, heck yeah, it could. Here we go. This right here, falling wedge. Also, the flag of the bull flag on the higher time frame, guys. There it is right there. Big Fed info today. Exactly, right? Here we go. RSI 6 looking to push through the 12 and the 24 to the upside. Guys, here it is, right? Here it is. 1-hour looking to push up. Are we looking to push up on the 27-minute? No, we are not. We're looking like we want to come down on the 27-minute. Let's check the 15, guys. I'm just going to get a clearer view of this, and then we're going to give you some levels. This looks like we're rolling, right? Here we go. 15-minute rolling down to the downside. RSI 6 looking like it wants to push through the 12 and the 24 to the downside. Guys, see the muddiness in this market today, right? We have conflicting time frames. Cecil, thank you. Guys, thank you so much for the gifts. I appreciate you. We are rolling over right now. Guys, here's your levels. We roll below this diagonal trend line at the bottom of this falling wedge. Let me adjust my lines because I didn't include something here. There it is, right there. Guys, we roll past this level right here. Here are your levels. The assistant, she's run out of words before the time runs out. B-dogs, right? Here we go. We roll this level, 118.95. What is the next level? Guys, we roll that level. We are breaking a what? Look at shoulder, head. This would be the right shoulder here, and it may be a complex, so be careful. We drop that level, guys. We are going to drop that level of resistance, of support to the downside. We measure the top of the head to the bottom of the trend line. We drag this down. There it is, guys. Here's your levels. First level to the downside right here at 118.95. I'm going to give you the upside. Need some rolling by Link Biscuit. There we go. Bye, Kelly. Nice to see you. Guys, I'm going to give you both sides today. You are going to have to watch your charts because whatever I do right now is not going to make a lot of difference in about 4 hours, right? It's not going to make a lot of difference. What you guys have to do is learn how to read what is happening at real time, right? If you don't already know how to. And if you are not in a group right now and you would like to join a group and you'd like to learn how to chart and how to trade, whether it's swing trade, buy and hold, or on leverage, guys, click the link in my bio. Come and join us in the group. I teach a live class in there every single day at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is not a signals group. We do have trade setups in there. However, it is more for you how to learn the charts for yourself. Sad I can't watch them. I got to learn more. flow. There we go. You're here, right? That is the first step. Hold on. Speed learning in school today. No, not speed learning. Wolfits, good morning. Here we go, guys. Here's your levels on XRP. Looks like we're coming down on the lower time frames. 15-minute is looking down. Let's check the 7, right? 7-minute. We are coming down. However, guys, I see a big cup and handle. Be careful, right? Be careful with this downside until we break this support right here at 117.33. Nothing matters right here, guys, right? Nothing matters. Good morning, Wolfix. Nice to see you. Zachary, thank you. Here we go, guys. Here's your levels to the downside. First level to the downside, 7-minute looks like it's rolling. 15-minute looks like it's rolling. Hourly looks like it's slumping. We have a little bit of liftoff on the 4-hour, but if the lower time frames roll the mid, then we are going to start and try to roll the high time frames, guys. Thank you, the assistant. Here we go. We break this level right here, 118.81. Here's your levels to the downside. 118.81 is your first level to the downside. Next level to the downside is 117.42. And if we break that level, we are coming here at 116.63. That is the target, not a level. Your next level is down here, guys. We breached this level right here. Where are we coming to? 112.79. That is your next level to the downside. Realize that on XRP, we are down below the 50%. If you are new here, you can join the 7-day free trial. Come see the lives daily in Skool. Thank you so much, Eric. I appreciate you. Come join, guys. First link in the link in my bio. I saw an article that the Uniswap price prediction is 100 by 2030. Snack attack. There we go, right? Uniswap has been very silent this run so far. No rate change will equal a pump, says ARC. Maybe a pump, but then the markets will settle. I don't know if no rate change will do it, ARC, but we'll see, right? It could do anything today. Mother Dragons, nice to see you. Kutso, thank you. When is, that's not happening, blockchain boyfriends, I'm sorry. BBB time, Mother of Dragons, nice to see you. Johan, hi, Bullish Bears, babe. Good morning. Nice to see you, Johan. Here we go, guys. Realize we are in a falling wedge right now, guys. Right? We're in a falling wedge. Or you can chart it as an ascending triangle, right? It is right here. Here's the ascending triangle. Here's the falling wedge. Both usually break where, guys? Up. So we are not counting on this downside unless we break this level right here at 117.30. We break that level, guys. We are most likely coming back down to this support at 112.79. And if we break that, where are we headed? We are below the 50% level in the channel. We break 112, we're going to 107, and then we're coming down to the bottom of the channel, guys, at 85.73. Lady Long-Term, good morning, right? Those are your levels to the downside. If we do decide to break this cup and handle up, this is how it will go, guys. What you will start to see is you will start to see the lower time frame RSI and the SOAK starting to match and reset all the way at the bottom. Now, today, hydrate, Andy. Thank you. Nice to see you. Now, guys, this is a day where the price action may not even respect the charts and the patterns. So I just want to throw that out there. This is a day where the charts don't respect the patterns or targets or levels or anything. So be very careful with your trades today. All right. I have seen it flip both ways, wick everyone out, and then go to the opposite side. Right? There's usually one big move, a second big move, and then the real big move. Jay Filet, nice to see you. I'm so glad you're in here today. Rates will not change today. Pressure verbiage about the future moves is everything. Watch, dot, plot, close. There we go, Fish fan. Thank you, Johan, for sharing the live. I appreciate you. Hour looking good, but yikes. Yeah, Blake, that's what I'm saying, right? Guys, we are in major indecision. Hour is looking good. MACD is turning to the upside. RSI 6 is trying to push through the 12 and the 24, but the hourly Stokes are getting high and overheated. Now, again, I just gave you the downside targets. Here are the upside targets on XRP. XRP hourly looking good, right? 15-minute looking like it wants to push, and 7-minute looking like it wants to push as well. Are we going to break out of this rising, this falling wedge, guys? Which also could be the handle of the large cup and handle. Here we go. We're going to give you both sides today. We are either breaking down in a cat ears pattern. It is right here. One ear, head, second year, and we are breaking that down, and we're breaking a support and then breaking down a little bit more, right? If we do not break that and we hold on to this level right here at 119.04 or this level right here, why am I saying this level? Because guys, this falling wedge right here ends at this level. If we hold this level at 117.38, guys, this will pop us up. All right, here are your levels. First level to the upside, guys, we break above this this falling wedge right here at 121.08. Johan, thank you. I appreciate you. 121.08, we break above that. Where are we going to, guys? Where do falling wedges usually break up to? Where they began, right? Where they began. And guys, what do we know is this level right here, right? Shipping companies aren't too sure about crossing Hormuz. Too risky despite agreement. Sentiment can change. Yes, it can. Late to my own funeral. Guys, and it will change fast and violent today, right? Fast and violent. You don't know how to trade these days and you're not a scalper. Stay out of trades, all right? There is always another trade the next day. We don't have to take it right now, right? Here we go, guys. Cup and handle is right here. Here is the cup. This right here is the handle. If we break out of this level, here it is right here. I don't love this music. How's everyone feeling about this music today? Do we like this music or do we want to go back to R&B and hip hop? What's the majority in here? Put HH if you want hip hop or stay if you want this. Bull flag. Yeah, it's a bull flag. It's right here. That's what we're talking about. Right? Reinhard, this is metal, says Johans. HH, I'm loving it, says Premium Mulch. Bellin, nice to see you. Biggie says late to my own funeral. Yeah, majority is hip hop. Yeah, guys, it doesn't seem like me today, right? Doesn't seem like me. Let's put on some hip hop. Let's get there. Hold on one second. Let's see. Let's see what we have. Yeah, we'll put on this. There we go. Hip hop. There we go. R&B, hip hop. There we go. We're changing it. I know Premium Mulch. I love it too, but it doesn't fit me today. We need a little hype today. Oh, thank goodness, says the assistant. I didn't want to say it way better. Here we go, guys. Let's go. It even hypes me up a little bit. Guys, here it is. Here is the cup. Here's the handle. We break this diagonal trend line right here of this falling wedge, which is also the flag on the bull flag. We back, says the assistant. There we go. We break up and above this, guys. Here's your next level to the upside. First level to the upside is 120.80. We break, actually, guys, we're going to use 123.58. Why? Because we need to get up and over the 50 on the 1 hour. We get up and over the 50 on the 1 hour, we can head to that next resistance, right? We break up and over 123.58. There's your first level to the upside. Next level to the upside is the 50% level in the channel. Once we get over the 50%, guys, where are we most likely headed? Most likely headed to the top of the channel. And guess where this cup and handle leads you, right? Here we go. I am not fully bullish or fully bearish today. Guys, I am smack dab in the middle. Why? Because we don't know where we're going and we have FOMC. Here we go. Next level to the upside, 125.99. We are turning up on the hourly, but look at the RSI weakening. Guys, it's showing weakness, or it's showing that they want to stall us. Told you we were going to the moon one day, said the real hope. We might be. Real hope. Here we go. First level, second level to the upside is 125.90. That is the 50% level in the channel. Third level is here at 127.47. And guys, this is a big resistance. We get up and over there. Be careful because we have our next resistance right here. It is at the top of the cup, right? One day though, exactly, real hope. One day. Here we go. Next level is 129.32. And guys, here is the level where we switch a little bit bullish on XRP. Why? Because if we get up and over this level right here at 129.73, we are breaking this cup and handle. Here we go. You measure a cup and handle from the top of the trend line to the bottom of the lowest part of the cup. And you drag this out to the supposed breakout. Here we go, guys. We break out of here 129.42. That is the top of the cup. We break out of there. We're coming here. Right here at 132.84, and if we get up and over there, we are coming here to our next resistance at 144.81. We break that, guys. Here's a target. It is sitting right at this diagonal trend line right here at 147.92, right? 147.92. There are your levels to the upside. We are going to go down to the lower time frames. We're going to see what's happening here, right? 1 hour, guys. Look at the Stokes and the RSI here. We are rolling over on the Stokes. RSI is rolling over a bit more heavily here, and the MACD is staying flat and solid at the bottom of the channel, right? What does that mean? They're stalling, guys. They're going to stall this until they possibly can't. Why? Because FOMC is coming up, right? Here we go, 7 minute, my favorite time frame. Why? One of them. Because it's in between the 5 and the 15, 2 time frames that the lower time frame traders hold and weight heavily. And when you get a cross section, you can see things at a better view. 7 minute, 8 hour, favorite time frames. 8 hour for the same reason, guys, for higher time frame traders. Here we go, guys. I do see a bull flag here. This does look like it wants to break out. We're curving on the Stokes, curving on the RSI. Here we go. We got up and over that level. You guys know we can push. Here it is right here. Here's the pull right here. Actually, you know what? Let me just go up a time frame. Here we go. Let's go up a time frame. Let's see if this, yeah, here we go, guys. Here's the pull. Here's the flag right here. We're holding on to the moving averages. We pop out of this bull flag. We are not only popping out of this bull flag. We need to pop out of this bull flag and promote the bull, says Flo. There we go. I wish me promoting the bull would actually get us there, right? I wish me promoting the bull would actually get us there. Guys, thank you for liking your screen, 45K likes. Thank you for being in here today. I appreciate you. This is a big day. Thank you so much for supporting me for as much as you have. I appreciate you. Guys, thank you to the assistant, Rude Boy, Money Talk, Eric Watson, Lady Long Term, Kelly, Sarah, Shauna, J Heat, Dream to Action, and B Rose. They are my fire mods in here. They volunteer in here every single day, and they're in here every single day helping this stream go smoothly. Thank you so much for being in here. Manifest the bull, says Real Hope. There we go. Guys, if you are in here and you haven't followed me and this is your first time, number one, say hi to me in the chat. I'd love to talk to you and shout you out. Number two, I have about 600 copycats. If you don't follow me from this live, you will not be able to find me after this live. This is my only account. I do not have any backups. Please follow me directly from this live. Fallon, nice to see you. Thank you so much for being in here. Pay attention tomorrow, says Blake. Guys, thank you to Blake. He holds it down in here, right? Thank you. He says pay attention tomorrow. Guys, there we go. And then we've got triple witching on Friday. This is a big, and the peace talks, right? This is a big week. Here we go. We pop out of this bull flag right here. And guys, we are now rolling over on the Stokes. RSI is still maintaining. It's pumped to the upside though. We have some steam in the RSI and the MACD is turning to the upside. I think this bull flag may pop us out. What are we looking for? We are looking for it to pop out of 120.84. What's tomorrow, Blake? What's tomorrow, Blake? Joey, Real Hope is asking. How we settle, guys. How we settle, guys, right? Other than Thursday, says the Real Hope. We push here, guys. We need to get up and over this level. And look at what else I see, guys. This is also a cup and handle with the handle sitting right on the moving averages. Guys, we pop out of this. We make our way up and over 120.82. We make our way up to the target at 121.64. Hey, Rachel, nice to see you. We make our way up there, guys. We have broken the falling wedge, which is also the flag of the bull flag on the higher time frame. We break that. There is a really good chance that we could get a pump to the top of this falling wedge. However, guys, we come up here, we fake out. It looks like we're rolling over. We're going to roll back down into this falling wedge. We break this level right here at 118.87. We break this level right here at 117.43. We can make our way down. Okay? We can make our way down. And if we do that, guys, that is going to tell you that that move to the upside was superficial, and we are now coming and making the real move. But I have a feeling they're going to hold us in this area, in this range right here until the decision is made. We'll see what happens, or we'll dump out really, really fast, and then all of a sudden we'll pump, or the other way around, right? Here we go. 7 minute is turning up. What is the 5 minute doing? Here we go, guys. Let's take a look. What is the 5 minute doing? We are losing steam altogether. MACD is turning over. Blake, is this what you're seeing too? Stochastics are turning over to the downside, and the RSI is getting weak. We are slumping. Guys, we are slumping. So we have a bull flag here. We pop out of this bull flag, break resistance, great. We'll look at the next move. If we do break that, guys, I know a lot of you guys are watching XRP. Trump to hold a conference at 45 minutes. Guys, here it is, right? Here's how we see the story lining up. They have stalled us in the middle. Danielle, thank you so much for sharing the live. Ups and downs with BB got me like, oh no, I know. Guys, the market is even muddy to me today. It will always be muddy to us on FOMC days, right? We can see some of the moves, but you can't see everything because all of these news events will take their toll and they may take the market out of range, right? It's all a giant move. Yes, it is, guys, right? What are they setting up for? They're setting up for a big move up or down. Which way is it going to be? We are coming up. If we pop out of this bull flag, we'll think that we can make a run to the upside. If we don't, then we are falling down. Michelle McGann, I just saw you join. I'm going to give you the levels because I know you just got in here. Here's the levels on XRP, guys. Then we're going to go to, we'll go to XLM. Actually, I'm going to check the total and the DXY. Why? Because those things make a difference, right? And if we're seeing signs on those, it may be a bigger sign that something is going to happen. VIP status. There we go, right? They liquidate the longs and then the shorts. Rui, 100%. That is what they do today, right? Stat the 12-day week. Blake, what are you saying? Start the 12-day week ASAP. Start the 12-day week ASAP. 12-day week. I don't know what that means, Blake. Thank you. Last treatment for Dad, Michelle. I'm praying for you. I hope everything went well. Sniper Investments, nice to see you. Michelle, here's the levels. Guys, here's the levels on XRP again. We are in a big cup and handle. However, we are also rolling. You're going to have to research. I'll research it. I got you, Blake. I got you. Look at me doing research, adding the MACD. You are influencing me for the better, Blake. Thank you, right? We know we're in a big cup and handle right here. We break out of this handle. Very, very likely we're going to make our way up to this next resistance. We don't, and we roll over. We're coming down. Here are the levels on XRP. First level to the downside, 118.70. Next level to the downside, 117.32. We break that level. Where are we going? More than likely, guys. We are coming here at 109.26. And then we are going to break down to the bottom of the channel at 86.27. Michelle, the markets are murky today. So just be careful. I don't know if I would do anything today, guys, unless you are just buying a dip, right? That would be the safest way, and that's not financial advice. Just DCA. If that is something that you're looking for, a lower price today, if we get down there, that is, I'm holding cash. There we go, Michelle, right? If we break out of this level and we hold this level right here at 118.97, Michelle McGann with a punch cuddle, thank you. I appreciate you. Guys, we break out of 120.52. We are going to the 50% level in the channel at 125.30. We break up and over there. Here's your levels to the upside. Michelle, thank you for being here. I appreciate you so much. I'm just buying my conviction plays as normal, nothing crazy. Solano, that's the only way to do it right now, in my opinion. That's not financial advice. What Solano is doing right now, he has researched, he is buying his conviction plays when they are lower, right? And he's adding to his bags when it is lower, and when there's blood in the streets, that is what you do, right? Or you just DCA every day. It is mindless, right? You can DCA every day a certain amount, and there it is. Next level to the upside is 127.40. Solano, I'm so glad you're here. Thank you for being here. 127.40. Next level to the upside, 129.51. We break over 129.51. We are breaking a massive cup and handle. And if we break that, guys, where are we heading to? It's here, right? Where are we heading to? We get up and over this level at 132.70. We get up and over 144.4. Those are the next two levels. We get to the target here at 148.05. There are your levels on XRP, guys. I'm going to go to XLM right now. It does look like the, let's take a look at the 5-minute and the 3-minute. One more time before we jump out of here. I'm cruising through today. I don't know what's got me here. I think it's just that Bitcoin is going to make its pump or dump either way, right? Here we go on the 5-minute. Whoa, Michelle, thank you for the glowing jellyfish. You know, I love those. I love seeing those go across the screen. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. I'm praying for you and your dad, and I hope everything goes all right with the treatment today. 12-day week is life-changing. Blake, I got you. I'm going to research it, Actually, I'm just going to ask AI, right? The assistant, there we go. Guys, here we go. We are curving up on the 7-minute. Michelle McGann with the LA route. Thank you for lighting me up. Guys, I donate 90% of my gifts. They go to someone in need. This month, they're going to a young woman who's a niece of someone in our community who is diagnosed. She's a very young woman who is diagnosed with colon cancer. Guys, thank you so much for allowing me to pass those on. I appreciate you. It is my favorite thing to do. We should all be helping someone. Here we go, guys. I see a little bear flag here. Are we going to break this down? Flo, thank you so much for the journal. Nice to see you. Flo, Flo, Flo. Thank you. Guys, thank you for lighting it up. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys just being here. Thank you so much for allowing me to. My dad wants to donate, said Michelle. Michelle, please tell him hello for me and that I hope he recovers. Right? Here we go. Guys, here we go. Right here. I think cancer has probably touched all of us at some point. And there are a lot of us in here that are dealing with a family member or someone that we love that is dealing with it. It is horrible. And it is a horrible thing to watch. My dad died of it a year and a half ago. And it is a horrible thing to watch, and I just sympathize with every single one of you guys in here. Thank you, Michelle. I appreciate you with the rhythmic there. Don't think AI will help you with this one. It's a secret of the wealthy. Blake, then you're going to have to tell me. You can't keep secrets, right? You're going to have to tell me. My dad died from it also. I'm so sorry he sent it, right? I'm so sorry. Here we go, guys. I do see a bear flag here. Here's the bear flag right here. It's on the 7-minute. 7-minute is curving up, but the RSI is curving down, and the MACD is never. He says, Blake, come on. I need the inside information. Where am I going to find it? Do I have to like uncode one of those cryptexes or something? I don't know. You're going to have to tell me. Today is chemo day for her. Guys, it's Lady Long-Term's niece that is getting these gifts. She's got them for the past 2 months. We have helped her out. Today is chemo day for her. These gifts mean the world to her. She wants to thank each and every one of you. Thank you, Lady Long Term. Our thoughts and prayers are with her today. Thank you so much, you guys. That is where they're going, right? That is where they're going. That is what we get to do in here. Bitcoin is rolling over now. There we go. Revolution X. Praying for her, says Michelle. Guys, here we go. Right? Eric Watson, thank you for the bouquet. Michelle McGann, thank you for chasing the dream. Scented Pleasures, thank you for the heartbeat. Guys, lighting me up. Thank you so much for being my crowd and my crew in here. Here we go, guys. We are rolling up on the stochastics. We are flattening out on the RSI now, guys. Is this gonna pop up? What I will say is this: there is a bear flag right here. Here is the poll on the 7-minute. Here is the flag right here, guys. If the 5-minute is rolling us over, we will most likely come down. If not, we're going to come up and retest this resistance right here. XLM, 4 hours, nice. We're going to go there next. Can we see near? I'll put it on my list, but I don't know how far I'll get today, right? Michelle McGann, thank you for lighting me up. I'm so glad you made it here today. Tell Dad we said hi. Here we go. Rolling up on the 7-minute, guys. Bear flag is right here. Target of the bear flag, 119.36. Let's see what the 5-minute is doing. Are we rolling? Yes, we are. Right? Yes, we are. There is a bull flag inside of the bear flag. It is right here. Here's the pole. Here's the flag. This bull flag breaks us up, guys. We are still in the bear flag. Here it is right here. You have got to see patterns inside of patterns. You go to the higher time frame. Look at the pattern on the higher time frame. Then the lower time frames can sometimes have patterns within the patterns. That is what this is doing right now. We are in a bear flag. It's right here. Here's the pole. Right here. Here's the flag right here. I'm going to draw these bounds just so that you can see that even if we pop up here in this little bull flag, we are still in the bear flag. And look at that bull flag popping up as we're talking. Right there, guys. Look at it. Go. Here is the bull flag. I didn't even get it out. Right? There it is. We pop out here. It is only bringing you to the top of the bear flag. He said if he goes into remission, he wants to take you to the horse races, Michelle. Any day. Any day. Right? Any day. Here we go, guys. This bull flag right here that I said could pop out. If it pops out all the way, which it did not, it came down. It will only pop us to the top of the bull flag. This is where you start to see weakness. The stochastics are rolling over here. MACD is also rolling over. Histogram is red. The RSI is pointed up. However, it is not pushing and it is not moving price. This bear flag wants to break down. There it is. There it is. Right? When we watch this and we see that the stochastics start to roll over and that bull flag didn't break us all the way up to the top, what it is telling us is there is weakness and more than likely we are going to drop out. It didn't even hit the top of the channel, guys, of the bear flag, right? Didn't even hit the top of the channel. Now we are rolling over on the 5 minute, 3 minute. Guys, we're trying to figure out where we're going. 996, little hint, Blake. Good morning, Farrell. Yes, we have a Snapchat. Guys, Farrell is in the house once again. I'm so glad to see you. I hope you got a nice rest yesterday. It is so nice to see you back. She's saying, yes, we have a Snapchat happening in very many assets. There we go, guys. Bear flag breaking it down. Where's that bear flag breaking down to? Farrell, I'm so excited you're here today, right? Look who showed up today. Woohoo, says Mike. There she is, guys. There she is. We work as a hive mind in here, guys, obviously, right? Farrell, specialist in the VIX, looks at everything that I don't look at. She's taught me so much in here, right? Good morning, Farrell. There we go. Guys, Blake is in here. He looks at everything that I don't either, right? I'm adding indicators because Blake obviously was right on that dump yesterday, guys. You see something in someone that there's no volume, BB. It's all manipulation. Yeah, right now, Stefan, right? Right now, it's all manipulation. They're keeping us in a stall period, I think, until the news comes out. I've been summoning you, Farrell. It didn't work. We work as a hive mind. Blake and Farrell, thank you for being on my team. I appreciate you guys. Here we go, guys. What are we seeing now? We're seeing a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. Absolutely, Stefan. Stefan is saying there is no volume right now. There is not. Mag 7 and SpaceX are flushing to metals and dividends. Rotational vibes so far. There we go, Farrell. You got to listen to the Farrell. Here we go. Shoulder, head, shoulder on XRP. More than likely, we are going to break down this shoulder, head, and shoulder. And guess what? It is the same length of the bear flag. I'm going to take this. You measure from the top of the head to the bottom of the trend line. You take this to the supposed breakout. Guys, we are right here at the supposed breakout. We either hold this level right now and pump back up, which, by the way, here we go with the mixed messages, right? Here we go with the mixed messages. We are turning up now. We break this level. Oh, there we go, guys. We break this level right here at 119.90. We're going to the target right here at 119.24. We have already broken down this bear flag. More than likely, what's going to happen is this. Here is the pull. Here is the flag. This bottom trend line right here, we are stuck below this resistance and this support now. Very, very likely. BTC about to break down, Blake. I bet it is, right? Because this looks like it's just going to come up here, tap resistance, make another bear flag, and drop us down. We now have a head and shoulders and a bear flag on XRP. Very, very likely we're going to break down. Now, guys, does this invalidate that cup and handle? No, it does not, right? No, it does not. And I'll show you that. Here we go. We are trying to pop up on the 5 minute. What are we doing on the 3? What are we doing on the 1? Guys, here we go. 1 is trying to pop up. We get up and above this level right here at 120. I think we're coming here. See how this works? It's just levels, guys. It's just levels. That is all we do in here. You break one level, you try to run to the next. You break one level to the downside, you try to run to the next. Right now, we have just held this level. Very likely, we're coming up here to bearishly retest and roll over, right? Did you mean A, Blake, or Ann? I don't know, right? Here we go, guys. We break this level right here at 120.005. We are most likely coming to the top of the bear flag again at 120.49. There it is. There it is. All right. These are your levels, guys. 120.005. Second level, 120.49. Third level, 120.82. Fourth level is up here. We're going to go to the higher time frames because I can't see it. Here we go. Fourth level is up here. We are getting overheated, guys. See this? We're getting overheated on the hour. On the hour Stokes. We are slumping over on the RSI. Very, very likely we're going to roll. Total 3 next. Yeah, I'll do the total 3. H-bar, Ondo, Pyth, XLM with a bull pull math potential. Cannon is running vertical. Guys, listen to Farrell. Outliers, right? Here we go. H-bar, Ondo, Pyth, XLM. I'm going to go to XLM next. And maybe we'll do Pyth today, Farrell, right? Canton is running vertical. Here we go. Does this invalidate the cup and handle? No, it does not, guys. Even if we came down here where that target is, see what they're doing? They're setting you up for a trap. Whether it's to the upside or the downside, we won't know until the FOMC run starts, right? However, that target of that bear flag and that head and shoulders is right here at 117.47, the exact key support we need to hold. Okay. Looks like we're coming down unless we hold that little diagonal trend level. You guys let me know what happens with XRP if we break this 50 right here at 123. Kingfish, thank you for sharing the live. Guys, thank you for being in here. I'm Chelsea, I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you so much for being in here. You guys are my crew in here, right? We are friendly, kind, respectful, and I always appreciate every single person in here that gives input into the lives, right? Guys, my mods are fired. The assistant, Rude Boy, Money Talk, Eric Watson, Lady Longterm, Kelly, Sarah, Shauna, Jay Heat, Dream to Action, and B Rose. Thank you so much. Any Adam and Eve double bottoms today? I don't see one yet, Lady Longterm. I don't see one yet. Silver about to print the second cat ear. Nice short-term play. There we go. Guys, those are your levels on XRP. We break the 50 right here. Yell at me. That usually means we're going to go up to the top of the falling wedge at 123.36, right? There we go. Let's go to back to Bitcoin for a second. I'm going to bounce around today. I need to see what's happening with Bitcoin so we can see what's happening, right? Bitcoin is still daddy, guys, right? Bitcoin's still daddy, still leading the pack. Here we go, 1 hour. We are getting heavy on the Stokes here, right? MACD is turning, but the histogram is red. We also have some curvature and some slumpage on the RSI. What is this telling us? More than likely, this rounded top right here probably going to play out in either an inverse cup and handle, or we are going to roll over in an M pattern. Same thing, right? Same measurement. We roll over here. There is a bear flag right here. Here's the pole. Here's the flag. We thought it was hooking out. However, we're seeing some roll over here, guys. Roll, baby, roll, says Mike. Time to run errands so I'm not late for school. There it is, B-Dogs. I'd rather you run errands and not be late for school. Have a great time running errands. Thank you for being in here. Guys, this looks like a bear flag that's breaking down, right? Here it is. Here's the poll. We are on the 30-minute for Bitcoin. Here's the poll. Here's the flag right here. And look at this thing, guys. Here we go. Here's the flag right here. There's the flag right there, guys. We break this. See this? Flags are just either rising channels or rising wedges. If you see a rising wedge or a rising channel, Mark Carmichael, good morning. If you see a rising wedge or a rising channel, always look for a pull because that move may be bigger. The measurement of a rising channel or a rising wedge is the measurement between the top of the mouth and the bottom of the widest part of the rising wedge or falling wedge. This is a little move compared to this, but this has a pull. When you see a rising wedge or a rising channel, always look for a pull to the upside or to the downside. Mark Carmichael, thank you so much for the heart me. Here we go, guys. We break this down right now. Where are we breaking to? There we go, right? There we go. Inverse cup and handle and a bear flag at the same time. Here is the cup. Here's the handle. This is a rising wedge. We break down, guys. We can break down to where? Here we go. This is where we will break down to, right? Rising wedge, inverse cup and handle. We're going to break down to 63,781. What do we need to break? A break on the way down. Guys, realize that this right here is a cross point. Cross points are strong support and strong resistance. Very, very likely, we're going to come down to this cross point right here at 64,687. And we are going to have some kind of price reaction here. Why? Because it's a cross point. A horizontal line and a diagonal line crosses right there. It adds extra strength to that level. We come down there, we're probably going to have a reaction, whether it bounces up and above this lower high right now that it looks like we're creating, that is going to be the difference and make us think that we are going up. If it does not get up and above this lower high right here, very, very likely we are making our way down. Do I still think BTC will go to 40 to 45? Yeah, I do, Sean Legend. Good morning. Nice to see you. Assistant, thank you so much for the gifts. Mark, assistant, thank you. Right? We are looking like we're rolling over on the 30. Are we doing it on the 15? Guys, see how muddy this is today? Yeah, we're doing it on the 15, guys. We're rolling over heavily on the Stokes and on the RSI. Hi, good morning, Mom. Nice to see you. We're rolling heavily on the RSI. RSI 6 is about to push through the 12 and 24 to the downside. Stokes are pointed down once we drop this bottom diagonal trend line at 65,096. we are most likely coming down to that cross point. There it is, guys. Here are my levels. We break 65,681. Yell at me in the chat. Or we break this cross point at 64,716. Yell at me in the chat. Todd Knob, nice to see you, right? Yell at me in the chat. Let me know. You guys can use all capital letters because I'm usually yelling at you, right? Here we go. Must be the money, right? Here we go, guys. Let's go to XLM. Let's take a look at XLM. We're cruising through today, assistant, right? Wow. Cruising through today. Oh, actually, guys, I'm going to go to two things before we go. We're going to check out the DXY and we're going to check out Total 3, right? Why? Yeah, Total 3. I see you, Premium. I see you. What's happening on the DXY, guys? Here we go. What's happening on the DXY? Let's take a look at the 1 hour and the 4 hour. Actually, we're going to take a look at the 8 hour. Uh-oh, guys. 8 hour, right? There is a gap here. We're filling it right now, actually. And what do we look like we're in on the DXY? Guys, we're in a double bottom or a W. It's driving, says Farrell. Yeah, I see that. And look at the 8 hour. Guys, Farrell's such a G. I'm so glad you're back. Here we go. We are Michelle McGann with the Crystal Crown. Thank you. I appreciate you. Lighten me up today. I appreciate you. Here we go, guys. We are driving on the 8 hour. Let's check the daily. I want to check the daily and the weekly. Let's see what's happening on the DXY. Guys, right? Look at the DXY. What does the DXY mean? DXY goes up, crypto usually goes down. DXY goes down, crypto usually goes up. What is happening here on the DXY? Can we run together for a little bit? Absolutely, we can. I've seen it. I've seen us do that before. And that may be the case today. Let's see what happens. Guys, what I'm seeing on the DXY is dangerous, right? Daily. RSI is pointed through the 6, is pointed through the 12 and the 24 to the upside. We have curvature on the Stokes. MACD, what are we doing on the MACD? MACD is flattening out at the top. We do have some weakness on the daily. Let's check the 8 hour, guys. Here we go. 8 hour. We are driving hard on the 8 hour. We are also in a W pattern right here. Michelle McGann, thank you. You are such a G. Thank you so much. Yelling means faster need for hydration. Marcus is in the house. He is the water guy. Thank you for being here. Guys, I just spilled on myself. It's not a good sign today. There's the liquidity, right? Getting wasted. Here we go. Dre, thank you. Hey, Dre, how are you? Here we go, guys. We have a W pattern right here. You can see it. Plain as day. It's on a lower time frame, so the lines are not going to match up. But guess what? There it is. Here's one hump of the W. Here's the other hump of the W. We also have a cross point here that we have to be careful of, right? Here we go. We measure from the top of the trend line to the bottom of the lowest part of the W, and we pull this to the supposed breakout. Let me straighten out my line there, guys. There we go. We pull this to the supposed breakout. There it is, guys. We are driving hard on the 8 hour. Good morning, Dre. Nice to see you. Tarek, yeah, I lost the liquidity. It went. There it is, right? RSI 6 pushing through the 12 and the 24 to the upside on a high time frame, guys. Where are we most likely headed? 99.84. We break that. We're headed to this signal trend line right here at 99.89.8. And if we break that, we are headed to here. 128. Okay. We have had a hard time holding 100. We get up and over here, guys. This is what we've been talking about all along with the DXY. We get up and over here, 100.726. That is a danger zone for us. Why? Because this right here is a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. And if we break this up, this is dangerous for crypto, guys. We break this up, we break to our next resistance at 104.694. Japan's interest rate increase got nothing on the dollar bill, she says, said Farrell. Dookie time, says Blake. Guys, the DXY is looking strong. It's something else we got to look at here. I'm going to take a look at the 4 hour. There we go. She says it has nothing on the dollar bill. There we go. 4 hour, also looking very heavy to the upside. Here we go, 4 hour pushing up, MACD turning bullish on the bottom of the channel. All right, guys, DXY is looking like it wants to pop out today. Now, is this cloudy still? 150%. The assistant, thank you for the greeting heart. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. You're here every day. I don't know why I said that. I'm just used to it. Lady Long Term, thank you for the heart. I appreciate you. Here we go, guys. Let's go down to the 15 minute. 15 minute is turning over to the downside. Let's see if we have some down. Guys, this is looking like an inverse head and shoulders to me. Here we go. This is going to be the first level that we break if we do. It's going to be this one right here. This is an inverted head and shoulders right here. Shoulder, head, shoulder to the upside. And I can bet this is getting you right to that resistance level right here. Top of the trend line, bottom of the head. Drag this out to the supposed breakout. There it is, guys. Brings you right to 99.92. We have to get through this resistance first right here at 99.83. You ain't sick of me yet? No. Never, ever, ever. Yesterday's DXY dump was the correction. It's why crypto dumped with it. Farrell. There we go. Right? Guys, listen to what Farrell has to say. She's telling you what is happening in the broader markets and why we may have a move upside or downside. Right? Here we go. Farrell, thank you so much for being in here today. Here we go, guys. Let's go to the total 3, right? I think it's still on my chart premium. B-Rose Nose is in the house. Guys, give him a follow. He is a great creator, a wonderful guy. Thank you so much for being in here every day. Let's check out total 3. Oh, do you want total 3 or total mulch? Mulch, mulch, mulch. You want total 3 or total? I think you said total 3. Let's check it out. All right, here we go. Hola, says B-Rose. Hola. Nice to see you. Total 3. Here we go on the total 3, guys. What are we looking at on the higher time frames? Let's take a look at the 8 hour. Here we go. 8 hour. I believe lots of capital went to short SpaceX. It did. Premium mulch. Thank you. Here we go. Total 3. Good morning, B-Rose. Not looking hot. Nah, it wasn't looking hot yesterday either, right? Here we go on total 3. Yikes. All right. Let me take a look at the daily, guys. What I will say, here's what I see on the 8 hour. We're going to work down the time frames, but here's what I see on the 8 hour. This right here is a bull flag, right? I'm going to take this. We're going to pull that up. Here's the bull case. Mudang showing the roll. Let's go, Phil. That's the indicator, right? That's the indicator. Guys, Mudang is a precursor, right? Mudang is a precursor. Farrell taught me that, and she is the one that showed me Mudang in the first place. Hive mind in here, guys. Thank you, Blake. Farrell, ARC, I think is in here. I don't know where Skyman is, but I wish he would come back. Thank you for being the team in here, guys. Thank you for being in here every day. I know this is a lot. I appreciate you guys. Here we go, guys. This is a bullish move. Bullish move on total 3 is that we look at this, guys. We are in a bear flag and a cup and handle just like BTC. Here we go. Bull flag. We're sitting right on the moving averages. Guys, we dropped these moving averages on the 8 hour. We are coming down, right? We are rolling over on the Stokes and the RSI and the MACD on the 8 hour. This is not looking great. XRP back down to your third level. 119 just about to hit. There we go, Stefan. Thank you. Thank you. I'll flip back to there in a second too. Here we go, guys. This is the bull case. The bull case is that we pop up here to 726. That's breaking out of the bull flag and this cup and handle. We don't break out of there. We're rolling down. And what are we rolling down in? We're rolling down in the bigger bear flag. Thanks, Stefan. Thank you. We're rolling down in the bigger bear flag, guys. It is right here in our face, right? Here's the pole right here. We are in, guys, see the trap here? They're building us in equally strong patterns both ways so that they can wick it back and forth. Crypto futures confirming the downside. Guys, let's go. Farrell says crypto futures are confirming the downside. We're seeing downside, aren't we, guys? Here we go. Here's the pole. Here's the flag right here. Guys, we take this pole right here. We drag it to the supposed breakout. Here we go. Bearish side, 596 billion. Those are your 2 targets, guys. We either make it here or we just pop here, right? And we get up to 727, or we are breaking this down here, 593.47. Let me flip back to XRP really quick. We're going to flip around here today, guys. A lot of people watching a lot of things and a lot of movement today. And then we're going to go to XLM. Here we go. And then we're going to go to the Blake pick because I feel like doing something fun today. Well, everything is just kind of hanging around. Here we go. XRP. Yeah, guys, XRP is coming down right now. 119.59, right? We break this level right here, 118.83. And then, guys, that is not the only level. We do not come down unless we break this level at 117.48. We break that level, you guys yell at me in the chat. Until then, this could still be a handle that could come down and pop up. XRP, first one to go. Ondo running inverted to the dump. We'll take a look at Ondo. Snip, snap, said exactly, assistant. She's referring to the office. You didn't say the magic word. What was the magic word? Was I supposed to say Dookie time? Is that what I was supposed to say, Blake? Blake either gets me to swear or he gets me to say funny stuff. I think I missed your last chat. I have my buy orders in on the levels you gave me yesterday, Michelle. We're still there, right? We're still there. Here we go, guys. It does not matter. Our dip doesn't matter until we get below 117.33. We do that. We have more further downside, right? Further downside, because breaking that decisively and getting below this simple moving average right here and opening a 1 hour candle below the simple moving average on the hourly, which I'm assuming it already did, right? Here we go. Yep, guys, here we go. 1 hour looking bearish, right? Looking bearish. We just opened a 1 hour candle below the simple and the smooth moving average, guys. This is downside. Snapping turtles everywhere, says Farrell. There we go, guys. We see the trap. They're setting it up both ways, right? Corridor 117 plus minis 10 remains a week already, guys. Exactly, Marcus, right? 117.35, guys. We break that level. Let me know in the chat. All right, let's go to XLM. Guys, thank you so much for being in here today. I'm Chelsea. I'm the bullish babe. I am here every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to help you figure out where the charts are going objectively. I am never fully bull. Thank you, Michelle. I love those punch cuddles. I am never fully bull or bear. Punch cuddle again. Thank you. I am never fully bull or bear, guys. We are giving you both ways, both levels to both ways, so that during the day, you guys can figure out where we are going. Right? We do not focus on targets here. We focus on the levels of support and resistance. And if you do that, you will become a profitable trader. What I can say is this: if you guys want to learn how to chart and how to trade, please join us in my off TikTok group. It is called the Level Up Community. It is not a signals group. It is a classroom. I teach in there live every single day. You can ask questions at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Come jump in with us. Guys, if you haven't done it yet, it is worth a try. It's free for 7 days. Come jump in and learn with us. VIX just threw mass to extend the bear push. Crude weak but bullish. Metals raging bull. Guys, listen to Farrell. Here we go. Right? Let's go to XLM. Here we go. If I can find XLM on my chart. Bass Drew, good morning. Nice to see you. Guys, we're going to go to XLM. Then we're going to go to the Blake pick. Then we're going to go, we'll go to Ondo because Ondo is running inverse. And guys, we like that. Michelle McGann, thank you for lighting me up. Friday peace signing, peace signing. Will 8 trillion have a positive effect? What do you think? It may. It will. It will have an effect on this market. If that signs and we're done, it'll have an effect on this market, and a good one. Right? Bass Drew, good morning. Sad. Brook Odyssey, I don't know what that means. I'm sorry. Right? Let's go to XLM, guys. Here we go. Blake, nice to see ya. Here we go. Here we go, guys. Blake, nice to see you. I've already seen you. I don't know what I'm talking about today. Greater markets are closed Friday. Farrell, everyone watch out for that. Everyone watch out for that. Here we go, guys. XLM. Let's take a look. BTC girl. Uh-oh. Are we falling? Yeah. Let's take a quick look at XLM, and then we'll pop there. Here we go, XLM, guys. Right? We are rolling over on the hourly. Look at this, Bart Simpson. Right? Here we go, guys. This is a Bart Simpson pattern. Right? What does that mean? We usually Bart Simpson to the downside. Right? Here we go. I do see a bull flag right here. Same people doing the same. Sorry to see it happen again. I don't know what that means, Brooke. I'm sorry. Here we go. Here we go right here. We are in a Bart Simpson, right? We are rolling over on the hourly. We also, RSI 6 is pushing through the 12 and the 24 to the downside. We have the MACD rolling over, guys. This is not looking too hot. And what do we have here? We have a shoulder, head, and a shoulder to the downside. It is on a lower time frame. Here we go. Let me do the 27-minute. Here we go. Shoulder. Actually, it's a cat ears pattern. One ear. Head, second ear, guys. We roll over right here. We're coming down. Where are we coming down to most likely? We break this. Here we go. Not. Ondo was just late to the dump. Pyth is throwing wicks. There we go. More blood. Thanks. Sorry with the she. Right? Sorry. Brooke, I don't know what you're referring to. I'm sorry. Here we go. Top of the head. Bottom of the trend line. Drag this down to the supposed breakout. We break this level at 0.2203. Right? Elliott impulse wave. There we go, Marcus. Right? We break this level right here at 2203. I'm on the 27-minute. We are rolling heavily to the downside. Farrell is saying that we have more downside. RSI 6 is pushing through the 12 and the 24 to the downside. MACD rolling over. Here are your levels, guys. First level to the downside, 0.2200, right? Second level to the downside is this main support at 0.2152. We break that 10 a.m. Dookie, Blake. 10 a.m. dumb time? Is that what's happening here? 10 a.m. dumb time? Here we go, right? And it's very fitting that TI is in the background saying you can do whatever you like, right? The charts are going to do whatever they like today, guys, right? We have no control over this. However, we can try to keep ourselves safe. Guys, today is a protect your capital day. Today is protect your capital day. This is not go all in day. This is protect your capital day. If you cannot see a good entry and it doesn't confirm and it doesn't prove it to you, do not get into a trade, right? Here we go. Next level to the downside, 2155. Next level to the downside, this is not a level. This is the target of that head and shoulders at 2072 on XLM. Today is a hedge day. Exactly, Blake. Oh, no, too late. I'm already in, Mike. Oh, of course you are. It's all right. Yeah, I hope you got a good entry. It's not that you can't trade this, guys. You can play both sides if you're really good at trading, but if you're a beginner, this is not the day for you to learn, right? Here we are. Next level to the downside, 2072. I'm going to give you the levels to the upside too. Next level is 2004, and the next level is down here, guys, at 1837. Tech sector is in full pullback, except cold copper plate tech tickers. Guys, listen to Farrell. I'm just kidding. I'm a little in, said Mike. There we go. Not all in. That's good. Guys, we're rolling over on the 27-minute. Let's check the hourly. Are we turning over on the hour now? Yes, we are. Yes, we are, guys. It's trying to money flip to the downside. RSI is a little tilted up. We'll give it a little bit of time, right? A lot bearish time frame for XLM. Guys, here we go. 1 hour, right, is rolling over. Here we go. Bullish case. We hold on to this trend line right here. Good morning, Miss Mel. Nice to see you. We hold on to this trend line right here at 22. And we start bumping up, guys. What can we break into? Is this a flag? Heck yeah, it is on a higher time frame. Let's go to the 12-hour to see it, right? There it is. There it is on the 12-hour, guys. We are in a flag. This is why I said be careful. It is giving us mixed signals. Here is the pull right here. Here's the flag. We are flattening out on the RSI and we on the Stokes, and we are rolling over on the RSI. Guys, it does look like we have some downside. Be careful of this 12-hour bull flag. Visa chart is running with this, you guys. Visa. Listen to Farrell, guys. She's saying the Visa chart is running with XLM. Guess where they're getting it, right? XLM, guys. Big money. Big money, right? Thank you, Farrell. Nice to see you. Here we go. We are in this flag right here. Guys, watch the 12-hour flag. Here's the bullish scenario. We hang around in here. We hold either this level at 2204 or this level right here at 2156, and we pop out of this bull flag. We have equally bullish and bearish patterns right now with mixed signals on the RSI and the stochastics and the MACD. Guys, be careful here. Here's the bullish case. We pop out of this bull flag right here. Here it is. We pop out of this bull flag. Here's your first level to the upside, 2385, right? It's wicky. Yeah, it is, Blake, right? That's where they're trying to get us. They're wicking to the upside and the downside. They're really trying to push through, but however, it's not. Strength and volume are matching between XLM and Visa. Visa is stronger, of course, but parallel. Guys, listen to Farrell. It is wicky, Blake, right? Here we go. Just going to wait them all out and bleed the coins. Guys, we break out of this bull flag on the 12-hour, right? Here's the first level right here at 0.2386. Next level is here at 0.2505. And if we break out of that, guys, here's the target right here, 2855. If we break out of that, guys, there is a very big move for XLM, right? Why is there? Because this is also a cup and handle. It is slanted. However, we break out of this level right here at 301310, guys. Very, very likely we are breaking out of this cup right here, this cup, and this handle right here. We break out of 3036. We are going up here at 4498. Okay, that's Drew. Thank you. Means pay attention. Guys, pay attention, right? Pay attention. It's a buy then. It is not a buy or a sell, guys. I'm not telling you what to do. It's a buy, not financial advice. XLM for me is a good long-term hold, right? And with Farrell saying it's running with Visa, guys, pay attention. Do your own research. This is not financial advice. Just what I'm doing, right? Those are your levels on XLM. I'm going to go down to the lower time frames. Let's see if we can figure this out, right? Here we go. Lower time frame, 7 minute. Trying to pop up, but what do we see here, guys? We see a major rounded top. We are in a Bart Simpson pattern. 2 bearish signals right there. Circle, Canton Network, mixed treasuries like DEFT, BlackRock, and Visa are all upside. XLM is the base I can't catch. There we go. Here we go, guys. If you want to get into my class, I do a class every day at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There's a chat in there. There is educational material. If you want to get into that class and join our community, click the first link in my bio. Come and join us today. It's 7 days free, guys. You can't lose, right? Most of the people in there have already made their subscription back times over. It's $3 a day. You can learn how to chart and how to trade and how to pull money out of this market every single day, no matter if we go up or down. Come and join us. It is a great group in there. Here we go, guys. Look at what we're forming at the end of this rounded top, guys. Rounded top, right? Higher highs on one side, lower highs on the other. We are now forming a little bear flag on the 7 minute. We are now rolling over on the RSI. We're rolling over on the MACD. Guys, this is looking like this may start the dump right here. Here it is right here. Here's the pull. Here's the flag right here. Here's the pull. Sorry, guys, this is a chubby one. It's a chubby bear flag. Here's the pull. Here's the flag. Guys, thank you for sharing the live out. Thank you for being here. Thank you for topping your screen with the likes. I appreciate you. Here we go. We break down through this level right here. 0.2226. We break down to this level. We break those moving averages on the 7. We're going to break down to 2202. We hold on to this level. We can pop out of here, guys, right? Either way, we can pop out of here, and I just showed you the move to the upside. Those are your levels. It is looking like we want to come down, right? We have a bear flag. We have a Bart Simpson. We have a huge rounded top. It is looking like we are coming down at least to this level. What is the level that if we drop it, I will think that we have more downside? It is 2150. We drop 2154. Michelle McGann with the punch cuddle again. Thank you. Thank you for being here. I'm taking Dad home, trying to get out of the office by 9. Hopefully I can figure out how to get to you today. Michelle, it's all right. Actually, we can schedule something. That would probably be the easiest way. Let's do that. Let's schedule something through DMs. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for all the gifts and for coming here today. Mostly for coming here today, right? Crypto Pup is what I need. Song plays in the background. There we go. Mag 10 math to extend downside or have engaged secondary bear drive. Guys, she's telling you we can come down, right? What is the level we're coming down heavily on? 2153. We break that level to the downside, guys, we have some heavy downside. Right? Why? Because right here is a shoulder, a head and shoulder. That will bring you down to this target at 2070 and then down to the support at 2009. Let's check Bitcoin, guys. Those are your levels on XLM. I am going to give you the levels today. There is not a lot of direction today. So I want to be very clear. I'm not going to give you a lot of directional bias today because there isn't a lot. They are literally setting us up for a move either way, right? And we have to be aware of that. And sometimes the charts read indecisive. Right now they are. It's showing downside for right now, but it's also presenting bullish patterns on the higher time frame. We have got to heed that, guys, right? BTC, we're going to take a look at that right now. And then I'm going to go to Blake's pick at XPL. And then I'm going to go to Ondo, guys. I will do Sui and AVAX and Adam. I believe I'll try to get through all of these today. Let's see if I can. What time is it? No, I will not. I will not get through these. Steph, nice to see you. Good morning. Bear pressure increasing via the VIX. Chop is so heavy. Traps are everywhere. Guys, Farrell is saying what I'm saying. You got to be careful today. This is a protect your capital day. This is not a trading day unless you know how to scalp and you are a seasoned scalper, right? And could you catch a big fly move to the upside or to the downside? Heck yeah, you could. But is it worth the sacrifice of sacrificing your capital right now? If it's not worth it, don't get into a trade today. Not until it settles down, right? Here we go, guys. Let me go to, actually, you know what? We're going to do Blake's pick. We're going to do Ondo. I'm going to try to make it out of here in 15 minutes. I can't even believe that it is 10 o'clock already. That is freaking crazy. Here we go. Guys, thank you so much for being in here. I appreciate you. I know I've done XPL. Oh, USD. That's why. That's why, Blake. Here we go. It's 11, not 10. I know. I thought it was 10 when I looked down at my watch earlier. Right? Blake, have I not done XPL before? I know I have. Right? Let's take a look. All right. Here we go, guys. Here's the Blake pick of the day. Right? We're going to go to the higher time frames. Why are we going there? Look at XPL. It's on a run. Here we go, guys. I'm going to do XPL and Ondo if I have time, and then back to Bitcoin. Guys, today is a murky day, right? It's a murky day. So we're, as far as I'm concerned, I'm going to sit back and relax and let this play out, right? If you want to protect your capital, that is what you do. I'm going to the 1 hour right now. Actually, I'm going to go to the daily on this. Apparently, I've never charted this before. Is Blake still in here? I hope. It's 1 a.m. here. Andy, thank you for watching us at 1 a.m., right? Thank you for watching us at 1 a.m. You're amazing. Darn it, I knew I should have snapped some of this up. Look at this thing, Farrell. Right? I am, said Blake. Guys, this is the Blake pick of the day. These are volatile, so be careful. Look at this thing. And look at what we're doing right now. Right? Daily is getting overheated. However, Blake, look at this thing. Right? Inverted head and shoulders all day long. Farrell has FOMO. So do I. So do I. Blake told us about this in our group. I don't even know how long ago, guys. He told us about this probably 3 weeks ago, I want to say. Blake, what a good looking chart. Look at this thing. Farrell, you may be able to get into this. Right? Dre, Steph, Michelle, thank you. The assistant, thank you. Here we go, guys. Top of the trend line, bottom of the lowest part of the head. Guys, we break out of here, we're going. Right? And I know there's a bigger pattern that I'm missing. Glad I put it out there when I did this morning. Did you put it out, B-Dogs? I didn't see it in the chat. B-Dogs put it out there this morning. Here we go. Here we go, guys. This thing is powering up. It is up and over the moving averages on the daily. We are in a shoulder, a head, and a shoulder. Here are your levels on XPL. Blake, this is looking juicy as anything. What is this? Guys, this is XPL USD. They may actually have a version of it on Bitunix in a USDT form. If you guys haven't joined Bitunix and you would like to leverage trade on a platform that is non-KYC, you do not have to KYC there. I have a 20% bonus going on right now. If you use my code BullishBabe and you deposit anything over $100, guys, I know a lot of you guys are leverage traders. I know we all have our favorite platforms. Go and try Bitunix. They've added Forex and IPOs and gold and silver and crude and crypto. You can trade it all on leverage there. If you're not on a platform where you can trade everything, try this one out. Use my code BullishBabe. You guys get a 20% bonus. I get commission. It works both ways, and it actually supports my channel. Thank you so much for doing so. Ooh, XPL just upgraded tech for direct payments. Let's go. Here we go, guys. Here's your levels on XPL. I'm going to go down to the lower levels in just a second. This is looking juicy for a trade. Blake, right? Blake is fire. Thank you, Blake, for being in here every day. Farrell, thank you as well. And ARC, I don't know if he's still in here. Thank you guys for being part of the hive mind in here. 0.1264. We break out of this, guys. We are already above the moving averages. On the daily, we break that. Look at where we are headed. More than likely, we are headed to 0.2368. She's so quick with her research. Yes, she is. She is a major researcher, and it is killer. Hey, good morning, hundreds. Nice to see you. Guys, I'm going to go to the weekly on this because I want to see if there's a bigger pattern that I'm missing. Here we go. Weekly. Yeah, there is. Yeah, there is, Blake. Of course there is. Why wouldn't there be? Right? Right? Why wouldn't there be? This, actually, I mean, there's a falling. This is also, yeah, it's like a falling wedge from here. Yeah, it's like a falling wedge from here. All right, guys, here we go. Right? Guys, we break up in this inverse head and shoulders. We're coming here. What I will say is this. If we get up here and we start to pretty healthy liquidity too, says Farrell. Thank you, Farrell. Guys, she's telling you there's pretty healthy liquidity on this as well, right? It's tradable. Can you do ETH? I'm not going to be able to do ETH because I don't have enough time today. But I am going to do this. And then if I have time, I'll do Ondo and then Bitcoin, and then we'll be out for the day. Wicked good wedge list. Yes, it is. Wicked good wedge. Guys, we do have a falling wedge right here. Right? We're in a falling wedge. We have an inverse head and shoulders on the weekly. More than likely, we're going to come up here at 0.2350. Are we going to continue? Guys, if we flag out, this is a wicked good wedge list. I love that you said wicked good, not the wicked wedges. Wicked good wedge, right? Where is Marcus? I don't want to take his job, but BB needs to hydrate. Thank you, Andy. Right? You guys can work together. We're a team in here, and I need to know when to hydrate all the time. So it's great. 283 million, says Blake. That is the liquidity, guys. Looking like we're going to come up here. If we get up here, we have got to flag out again or make another bullish pattern, right? That is what we are looking for. This is not financial advice, right? Not financial advice. Guys, this looks like this wants to take a run. Let's take a look at the lower time frames, and then I'm going to go to Ondo quick because Ondo is an outlier. I know I couldn't get through a lot today, guys. Today is a murky day. We had to keep going back and forth to Bitcoin, right? We are going to try to get through some of these quicker so that I can do more alts. At some point, guys, I will be restreaming from YouTube. If you want to go and follow me on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook, it is the same exact ticker, same exact handle at the Bullish Babe Crypto. If you go to my link after the live, those are my verified links. Go and follow me on YouTube. We drop these lives every single day, every single night, so that you can watch them at your leisure. Okay? So please follow me on those platforms just in case this one ever goes down. I already got reported today like 3 times. So please follow me on those other platforms so that I have a place to reach you guys if this does go down. Leo is ripping. Also, guys, the first asset that Blake ever gave me was a Leo. And guess when that was, Blake? 6 months ago, right? When I first started, actually, it might have been 9 months ago. It was when we were doing Cosmically Bullish, right? And you gave it to us in Cosmically Bullish. Guys, Blake is he is on fire with these things. He knows where to find them. He knows what charts look good. Blake, you're G, right? Hi, Bullish Babe. Brian, nice to see ya. Here we go. We break up and above here, 1168. We're coming here, and if we come here, we have to flag out. What is our main support, guys? It's at the bottom of this falling wedge at 0.0560. Blake, this is looking healthy. I kind of love this. Right? I kind of love this. Guys, let's go to Ondo. Good morning. Ondo is slower than the others. True outlier. Might be CC and it's Treasury Canton. There we go, guys. Let's take a look at Ondo. And then I'm going to go to BTC, and then we're going to be out for the day. Thank you guys so much for being here. You start my day off right every single day. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for staying in here. Thank you, Farrell and Blake. Thank you to the mods, Money Talk, Rude Boy Assistant, Eric Watson, Lady Longterm, Kelly, Sarah, Shauna, Jay Heath, Dream to Action, and B Rose. Thank you so much for being my mods in here, guys. They volunteer every single day. They're unbelievable. They're great people. B Rose is a great creator. Go and give him a follow. Thank you for being in here and supporting me every single day, B Rose. I appreciate it. Here we go, guys. Ondo. Let's go to the higher time frames. Why don't I have any lines on my chart? Why don't I have any lines on my chart? Interesting. I know that I've done Ondo like a million times. Let's grab it up again. Here we go. Guys, this is my ADHD. Did I miss Quiff again, Joey Mack? You always miss it. Right when you come in, right? Right when you come in, we finish doing Quiffs. Good morning, Joey Mack. Nice to see you. Here we go, guys. Let's do Ondo. Look at Ondo. Ondo on the daily, right? We are rolling up in the RSI. Look at these lines, guys. Sorry. I need an eraser. If B-Dogs was here, he'd want to kill me, right? Oh no, I said the K word again. I say the K word. I've got to replace that with something. I need a handler, like the president, right? I need a handler so that they can tell me when not to say stuff. Until then, you have your pet spayed or neutered. Stay safe, said Joey Mack. Nice to see you. Thank you for being in here. Here we go, guys. Shoulder, head, shoulder. This is Ondo right here. We have a little bit of a push on the daily. We have a little bit more room. However, what are we in right now, guys? We are in a rising wedge, just like everything else. Hey, BB Sandler, there we go. Here we go. Let's go to the lower time frames. Daily is getting weak, guys. We're seeing some curvature on the Stokes. Look at them holding us right in the middle, right? We are in a bull flag right here. It is right here, guys. Here's the top of the flag right here. Here's the bottom of the, here's the pole. Here's the flag. We're sitting right on top of the moving averages here, guys. On the 8 hour, can this pop out? Yes, it can, right? And look at that confluence. RWAs are strong today, says Farrell. Guys, keep your eyes out for the RWAs. So you can sleep in meetings too. I don't know if I'm skilled enough to step in, says the assistant. There we go. BB, it cut out earlier. Where else do you post? I post on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. And actually, Andy, the links are in my post in my bio. That's my link tree. Or you guys can go to thebullishbabe.com. If you go to thebullishbabe.com, those are all my verified links. Just follow me on those platforms. That has everything you need to know. And if you want to jump into the Level Up group, it is there as well. It is the first link on there. Thank you so much for asking, Andy. Look at that strength. It's CC2. RWAs are doing the work today. Guys, look at this confluence. This bull flag right here is bringing us directly up to this next resistance level, 0.4233. And look at this, guys. Here we go. We bust out of this level right here. And then we bust out of this level. We are also in a major slanted W pattern right here, guys. Look at this. Here we go. We break out of this bull flag. And we break to this level at 0.4045. And we break up and over that level and we hold it. We are breaking out of a W pattern. This is a great jam though. Yeah, it is. Here we go. Here's the first hump of the W. Here's the second hump of the W. Guys, we break out of that bull flag and we break up and over this diagonal trend line right here at 4038. Where is our target? It is right here. You pull the trend line from the top of the trend line to the bottom of the lowest part of the W and you drag that to the supposed breakout. Guys, here are your levels on Ondo. First level to the upside is 0.4045. We do see tricky, trappy little Ondo. Trap on trap on trap. There we go. Hi, Michael. How are you doing? XRP is just following the market, really, right? Just following the market, really. Here we go. We pop out of this 4043. We're coming here to this major resistance at 4239. We get up and over there. We get to 4377. Guys, if we get to 4377, we are breaking out bullishly of all of these patterns. And Eve brought a friend to take care of Adam. He's a wide boy. I'm sorry, Farrell. Now our charts are having threesomes. That's what's happening here, right? That's what's happening here. Our charts are having threesomes now, right? Right? Eve is bringing a friend for Adam. That's what's happening. There is, right? Exactly. Guess what? There it is, Farrell, right? Here it is. Guys, what she's talking about is this. I couldn't help it. The cup spike is named Jessica. There we go. Guys, here it is. What she's talking about is this, right? Adam. She says that Eve sucks everything out of Adam. And what she's saying is that Eve right here brought a friend, right? What that means is that this Eve bottom right here is the Adam bottom. Here is the Eve bottom. Eve doubled it up, right? She double bottom before she's gonna break up in that Adam and Eve, guys, right? Here we go. This is an Adam bottom, triangle bottom, Eve bottom, rounded bottom. Once they get up here, guys, and break through 43.59, lucky Eve, said Andy. Actually, lucky Adam, right? He gets two Eves, or an Eve and a Jessica, I'm not sure. 43.59. We break up and over here, guys. We are coming to this level right here. That target of that W pattern tells us so. We break up and above 48.73. We're breaking out of this Adam and Eve double bottom. Here's the Adam bottom. Here's the Eve bottom. Guys, we already have this. We already have this measured out. And I took the wrong line. We already have this measured out, guys. Top of the trend line. Actually, it's not here. It's right here. You take it to the lowest part of the bottom. Top of the trend line. Bottom of the Eve part of the bottom. Class lesson for today. Oh, gosh. No. Lady long term. Guys, we break out of this level right here at 48.65. Your next level to the upside is not a level. It is a target at 64.71. And if we get up there, that is the breakout of the Adam and Eve double bottom. If we get up there, we are most likely going to come and touch this resistance level at 76.11. We can't keep whipping and whipping. Still Brown can't win. Oh no, Joey. Right? Here we go, guys. Here's your levels to the downside. What I will say is this. 8 hour is trying to push up to the upside. What is the 4 hour doing? 4 hour trying to push up to the upside. Let's go. Let's break out of this bull flag. Guys, Ondo looked opposite. It is an outlier. Farrell brought us this today. It is an outlier, guys. We are rolling up on the 8 hour, on the 4 hour. Are we doing it on the 1 hour? No. The 1 hour is looking like it wants to roll over. Guys are keeping us in chop right now. Here's the flag right here. As long as we stay in the bounds of the flag, we can move up. Here's your levels to the downside. We obviously have some support right here at 36.46. We drop this level right now decisively and drop all those moving averages to the downside, 37.46. That is your first level to hold. We drop that level, very, very likely we're coming down to 35.72. And if we drop that level, where are we headed? Guys, if we drop that level, we are dropping out of a Head and Shoulders. It is right here, right? We drop that level. We are dropping out of a Head and Shoulders. I have to move my line. There it is, right? Have to move my line, and there it is, guys. Here we go. Here are the levels to watch. Again, we need to hold this level, 37.43. It looks like we're rolling over. Definitely hunt down the RWAs that are healthy today. Huge indicator to money flow. There it is, guys. We bleed 37.43. We're going to come down here at 35.71. What do we have here? A cross point. Cross points are going to be strong support, guys. 35.71 is the next level to the downside. And if we break that, we are breaking this shoulder, head, shoulder to the downside. You measure from the top of the head to the bottom of the trend line. Drag this down. Guys, look at this trap. Right? Pharaoh, look at this trap, guys. They have us in a bull flag right here. That is the exact target, is an exact resistance above our head. They also have us in a Head and Shoulders here, where the exact target is our key support. Guys, this is a trap right here in the making. Yes, Ondo looks stronger than everything else right now. However, they are still setting a trap. We are actually in a bigger symmetrical triangle as well. Symmetrical triangles are 50-50 patterns. Bull flags are bullish bias patterns. Head and Shoulders are bearish bias patterns, guys. The assistant, thank you. That is what they are doing. Ooh, such a little trappy, little black rock troublemaker. Exactly. They're setting that trap both ways, guys. That is why I'm saying today is a protect your capital day. They can go either way, and where you can catch a big move, and I know this is where, let me just say this. I know that this is where a lot of beginner traders will think like, yep, make Larry Fink prove it. Guys, she's saying make the market prove it today, right? It's a protect your capital day. I know a lot of beginners, I will say this, a lot of beginners on FOMC days, they see those big pumps and they think, man, if I just caught that on a high leverage. Guys, let me just say I've lost more money trading FOMC days than any other day. And if I can do it, then you can do it too. And I don't mean you can trade it, right? I mean, if I'm sitting on my hands, then you can do it too. You can wait and see where the market clears up and then get an entry. It does not have to be now. Right now is kind of a gamble, to be honest, right? Unless you are in a very short-term scalp. Okay. Farrell, make Larry Fink prove it. Me too. Guys, Farrell is saying she's out too. Me too. FOMC and 2022 crude. There we go. No fear, says Old B Bodden Island. There we go, guys. Let's go to BTC. They've definitely set a trap on Ondo, guys. Right? They've definitely set it. We're going to go up to the upside or we're going to go heavily down to the downside. We know what this is right here. Here are your levels on Bitcoin before I move out for the day. Thank you so much for being in here. Absolute train wrecks for me, says Farrell. She's talking about FOMC days, guys. They are train wrecks. It doesn't matter how good of a trader you are. These days are not worth trading unless you are a seasoned scalper, right? And even they lose money on these days. Be careful. Please. I am not here to help you guys lose money. I'm here to help you to avoid losing money. If you want to learn how to chart and how to risk manage and how to trade on swing trade, on leverage, guys, go to the first link in my bio and come join us in class today. I'll be there at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, guys, to teach a class. You can ask questions. We do a lesson every single day. The courses are recorded. Every single day, the lives are recorded. You can watch them at your leisure. And this one has triple witching tomorrow. There we go. Guys, you got to be careful today. Risk manage. Long everything, says J Dan. Good morning, J Dan. Nice to see you guys. Give him a follow. He's a great chartist and trader. I'm glad to see you today. It's already 11:20. You need to take a break. I will. Here we go, guys. We have a big round of top on BTC, right? 1 hour is trying to power us up here. We know we're in a bull flag right here, but we are also in a rising wedge. Hi, J Dan. Right? We are also in a rising wedge. What are we looking at, guys? Let's go down to the 15. 1 hour wants to give us a little Hail Mary there and bump us up, right? We know it. We're in a bull flag right here, guys. Here it is. Here's the pull right here. Here's the flag right here. We are clinging on to that bottom diagonal trend line of the rising wedge. We dump that out. We're coming down. Good morning. Right? Here we go. The assistant, he says, I'm blocking you. It's because she said go follow him, guys. Go follow him. I was in his live the other night. It's brilliant. It's brilliant. Here we go. By the way, okay. Yeah, it was a brilliant live. Here we go, guys. Bottom trend line right here, right? We are clinging on to this right now, but what is it forming? It is forming a bear flag. Right? We have a bull flag and a bear. Guys, look at this trap today. Right? I wonder what she was going to say. I know. Here we go. I was just going to say that you're a lovely human being. And you're a brilliant trader and chartist. And I learned a lot from you. So thank you. It was a brilliant live. As always, go follow him. There we go, Crypto Doe. Guys, see this trap? We are inside of a rising wedge. In a bigger daily bear flag. They have formed a bull flag, and now they are forming, there's a bull flag here. There is a bear flag here. We are in a rising wedge, bearish bias pattern, and he is cool. OMG, just pulls those waves and fibs like a glass of water. So effing talented. There we go, right? There we go. Guys, we break up in this bull flag. Here are the levels, right? They're gonna break us either way. We break out of this rising wedge to the upside. Guys, how do rising wedges break up? And I want to show you something just quickly before I say this. You guys have lost your minds now. We haven't. We have not. Guys, look at this. This is why I think we're bearish, right? However, we see a big bull flag on the 16 hour. That bull flag wants to break out. It is also breaking out a cup and handle that is huge, right? We also have a rounded top here. Higher high, lower high, lower high, lower high. That is why rounded tops are so dangerous, right? We are in this bear flag, this rising wedge, this bull flag, and this bear flag inside the rising wedge, guys. Here are your levels, right? First level to the upside is this diagonal. It is the top of the rising wedge or the bear flag. Either one, right? We are in a bear flag. That bear flag, if it breaks us down, I'll show you the lower levels. If this wants to pop up, this bull flag, we break 65,590. We are most likely coming to this diagonal trend line right here at 65.66. And if we get up and over this, guys, and get up and over the 50, and he explains it so you can really understand the math. Yes, he does, Pharaoh. You get up and over the 50, guys. We are coming here at 66,435. If we come to 66,435, these are your levels to the upside. We will most likely make our way here at 67,252. We break out of that level, guys. Here it is. This is the bullish case, right? Bullish case is that we are in a 16-hour bull flag. The bull flag right here is the end of the cup and handle. We break out of this level here, 67,389. This cup and handle is going to break out, and here's your target. It is right here, right? This is the bull case. Do you love Hyperliquid? Hey, Nanny Crypto, nice to see you. Guys, give her a follow. She is great. If that's the real her, I'm not sure if it's the real her. Farrell is drunk, says J Dan. No, Farrell is not drunk, for sure. Hi, Nanny Crypto, nice to see you. Thank you for being in here. Guys, we break up on this level right here. 67,389. Now, guys, there are so many patterns here. It makes your head spin. This one move out of the cup and handle is what breaks you out of the daily bear flag. Here's the daily bear flag. Here's the pole. Here's the flag. We break out of here. What's next level? 69,287. We break out of that. I will think that we are breaking out of this cup and handle, and we will most likely run to either 71,011 or we will run to the target here at 72,867. All right, there are your levels to the upside. Let me give you the levels to the downside. Here are your levels to the downside, guys. We know we're in a bear flag, right? This bear flag right here that is right under the rounded top. We have two bearish patterns right here. Here's the pole. Here's the flag. You drag this down to the supposed breakout. Guys, we break out of this lower trend line of this rising wedge. That is the flag of the bear flag. Here it is at 65,254. We break out of that decisively, and we come down here to this cross point right here at 64,688, and we break that down. Where are we headed to? That is your next level. This is your next level right here at 63,839. And if we come down there, and if we break this level right here at 63,301, we are headed down to this support at 62,153, then here at 61,174, and then our final major level, just press long, says J Dan. J Dan, do you really think we're going long today? You think we're going long on FOMC? I can see both. So, yeah. You think we're going long? Right. I see more bearishness than bullishness, but I've been watching that 16-hour bull flag for days now. And the cup and handle, and it, to be honest, it's haunting me, right? It's looking more bearish. However, I can see them trying to pull something here. BTC didn't hit the daily imbalance yet. There we go, guys. If you want to learn about imbalances and Elliott Wave, go to JDan. Bull is coming in right now. Pop incoming. XLM in the lead. Here we go, guys. Let's take a look at the 15-minute, and then I'm going to pop out for the day. Here we go. Farrell says that we've got some bull coming in, and heck yeah, we do. Here it is, guys. What is it probably? Right here. I messed up my line. What is it probably? It is probably that bull flag that we just talked about breaking out, and yes, it is. Here is a pole. Here's a flag. Here is the target. Right? Why not? Thank you for being here. We see upside, says Farrell. Farrell, you thinking we're going to go up today too? Here we go. Sorry, guys. I needed to take your drink. Farrell, what are you thinking? Right? We see upside, she says. Guys, this bull flag wants to break us up to here, but if we can't get up and over this major resistance at 65,678, guess what? We're rolling over. We're going to break back into the bear flag, and we're going to roll down. Right? There are the levels, guys. We are seeing a pop on the 15-minute. Is it changing the other time frames, though? Yeah, so we are seeing a pop on the 15-minute, guys. However, right now, we are about to see some nice, strong upside candles coming in. Guys, let's go, right? Too late. I need to step up my game, Marcus. That's all right. Thank you for being in here, right? We are seeing a turn on the RSI on the 30-minute. Are we seeing it on the 1 hour now? Yeah, we are seeing it on the 1 hour, guys. This could be a bigger push. Here's the levels to watch. First level is right here, 75,723. Next level is 66,427. And the next level is up here. It is the most important level. We break 67,378. Guys, this is going to fly, right? This is going to fly. 67,378. Looks like we have some upside here, guys. Upside before downside, before upside, before downside. Guys, watch your trades today. 68.5 today. There we go, J-Dan. J-Dan, guess what's my level, right? That it needs to get up and over 69K for me because it needs to invalidate that bear flag fully and hold. If we don't hold that level, I think we're coming down, and that just is a fake out to the upside, and that may happen today for sure. I can see us popping up, and if we do, it's coming out of that cup and handle, right? So HBAR Pice, strongest bull drive math so far, all utility flowing. There we go, guys. There are your levels on Bitcoin. I'm going to turn this down for a second. Guys, thank you so much for being here today. I am Chelsea. Why not? Guys, go follow him. You guys are into memes. He is in the trenches every single day. Go and follow him. Why not? Thank you for being here. I think the daily inefficiency is around 68.6 or something. Look at those levels. Close, right? Close. Yay. Bull stepped in right at the end there. Guys, this is why we never are fully bullish or bearish, right? Especially right now, because we can see the traps. They've set them both to the upside and the downside. They may go grab that liquidity, smack it down to the downside, grab that liquidity, smack it back up to the upside. Guys, the first move on FOMC day usually isn't the real move, right? Usually isn't the real move. Do not trust any of these moves until it proves it to you. What does prove mean? It gets up and over a key resistance and looks strong and holds it and bullishly retests some of those support levels, right? If it gets under support, right? Greater markets are absolutely slap happy, so that track says Farrell. Guys, listen to Farrell, Jay Dan, me, Blake, right? There we go. Guys, thank you so much for being in here today. I am Chelsea. I'm the Bullish Babe. I do this every morning at 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you guys have been hanging out in the crowd and you haven't followed me, please do follow me directly from the live. I think you guys are most of the regular community here because I got reported a couple of times, so it usually doesn't push it out. So there's probably not that many new people in here, but if you are new, please do follow me directly from the live. I have a lot of fake fake accounts. About 600. They will try to scam you in your DM, so please follow me directly from the live. Secondly, guys, I run a off TikTok group. It is on Skool. It is actually a school. I teach in there every single day bye, Andy. Thank you. Have a good night. I can't believe you're watching us at 1 a.m. Good for you. Thank you so much, and good for us. Thank you so much for being part of our community and being here every day that early in the morning. I appreciate you. If you want to join my off TikTok group, it is a classroom. I teach in there every day at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It is a paid group. It is $3 a day. Guys, what you get for that is me every single day. Right. I do a live in there every single day. Every single day at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We have a lot of really good minds in there that are working with us, that are part of our team. We go over a lesson every single day, whether it's a candlestick pattern, a chart pattern, a strategy, a indicator. We do that every single day. Plus, you can ask questions in those sessions. If you want to come in there, please do click the link in my bio. Again, it's $3 a day, but it's 7 days free right now. Come in and join and figure out how to learn and grow. Sorry, I'm getting tripped up on my words today. Just got back to the U.S. Now I can watch you on normal time. Dream to action. Thank you. I'm taking my teenagers to a water park today. I'm half a week in and already need a lazy river. Farrell, have such a good time. I'll call you later. Or I'll wait. I'll text you, and then you can call me when you're free. Have a great day today. Have a great rest. Have a great time with family. Thank you for being in here today. I'm so glad you're back. Guys, again, Hive Mind, Farrell, Blake, ARC, right? Guys, we work together in here because not all of us can see the charts clearly from every angle. We surround ourselves with people who challenge us. They challenge me. Thank you so much for being in here every day. Have a great day today. Guys, second thing, if you have not joined my group, link in my bio. Second thing is, guys, if you're a leverage trader and you haven't tried out Bitunix, please go try it out with my code, Bullish Babe, right? If you're a leverage trader, not if you're brand new. If you're a leverage trader, you will get a 20% bonus on deposit for anything over $100 up to a $400 bonus. All you have to do is deposit $100. You get a $20 bonus back in futures. If you deposit $2,000, you get $400 back. Guys, it is a huge bonus. It is my favorite and my primary trading platform, and they have now added Forex, IPOs. They have crude, gold and silver, and crypto to trade on leverage. Guys, and we have our own personal rep. His name is George. He will help us out if we have any issues. If you are a VIP on any other platform, I can get you the same status here. All you have to do is sign up with my account, even if you're just doing it for the bonus. Sign up with my account, trade on the campaign, and prove your trading volume, and we can get you that same VIP status on Bitunix that you have anywhere else. Guys, thank you for those of you who have already done that. If you're leverage traders, it is a way to support my show, so I appreciate it. You guys get a bonus. I get commission. It is completely transparent. Thank you so much for doing that. And lastly, right, and most importantly, guys, we are put on earth to serve others. That is our main purpose for being on this earth, is to serve others. If you are not serving others and doing something kind for somebody every single day and paying it forward, we are not doing this life right, guys, right? We are here to make a difference. And there is a lot going on in our world right now. There are a lot of people who aren't in the same positions that we are in. I don't know anyone's financial position, and that doesn't matter because you know what? It doesn't have to do with money. What it has to do with is just paying it forward in any kind of way that you can possibly show kindness to somebody else. The more we do, the more little ripples we create. And even though we're just one person, this world can be changed one person at a time, and don't let anybody tell you different. The more we do, the more this world changes. And guys, kindness goes a long way. Be part of the big wave that we create by little acts of kindness. Pay it forward. Live in gratitude every day. Thank you for being here for me every single day. Thank you to my mods, Money Talk. Speaking of gratitude, thank you for my mods who volunteer every single day. Money Talk, the assistant, Rude Boy, Eric Watson, Lady Long Term, Kelly, Sarah, Shauna, Jay Heat, B Rose, and Dream to Action. Thank you so much for being in here and for volunteering every single day. An extra special thank you to Farrell and Blake for helping me out with the live every day. Have a wonderful day, guys. Pay it forward. Live in gratitude. I will see you tomorrow on the live. Thank you so much for your support. Bye, guys. Thank you, Marcus. Thank you, Dream to Action. Have a good day, guys. Thank you.